लेने आया सिम्बा तेरी फिरकी
आ गए फालतू लेने आपकी फिरकी
मेलोडी
आया तेरा आया राजा नाच मेरे साथ आजा फूल के तू बाजू वाली खिड़की लेने आया सिम्बा तेरी फिरकी लेने आया सिम्बा
तेरी फिरकी रट्टी पटी डा अयो मसालेदार जी
मचिंगा ढोल अभी बचिंगा दिन पे देखो आज राजा नचिंगा
Faltani, what comes to mind listen to the song, Faltani? What comes to mind when you listen to the song?
Is the fact that Altu Baba total masala.
Exactly! Rakti patti, and of course, that's that. Ratti patti, Al Fadani, आज का शो है मसाला मंडिस हम लोग मसाला डालेंगे मसाला डालेंगे मतलब जान इंडियन सिनेमा का मसाला की बात करेंगे हम लोग as it is Indian cinema Indian food has this thing called masala right already in it
Right.
so मालूम है did you know that
मालूम है,
people love Indian food because of the masala in it right
Because it's got a lot of nice spice.
nice spice nice ice spice
I spice with my ice. A lot of spice.
well Barjan आज है मसाला मंडिस
That is
and
right.
अगर फिर से मसाला मंडिस का मतलब क्या था well Barjan we're going to talk about how Indian cinema has got masala in it
Right.
yeah
Right.
एंड यस आज जो भी कॉल करेंगे आपको मिलेगा हमारी तरफ से एक नाइस मसाला वड़ा
क्या बोला?
मसाला वड़ा
What are you talking about?
आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट इंडियन सिनेमा राइट
हाँ.
कहने के लिए इंडियन सिनेमा है
हाँ.
समवेयर डाउन द लाइन दे हैव टू एक्नॉलेज वन थिंग
हाँ.
Indian cinema would not be Indian cinema provided for all the other parts of India contributing to the Indian cinema.
हाँ.
Right?
Huh.
So Bollywood cannot be Bollywood standalone. Bollywood has to have everything in it.
हाँ.
Right? For instance, the most in the millennium at least, right, Fatwani?
Huh.
What I have seen, majority of the blockbuster movies,
हाँ. Huh.
were something which was taken from the south.
हाँ. Oh.
Stories pulled out from the south.
You're kidding.
Yes.
No, masala movies that is.
हाँ, like अभी तो क्या अभी गाना लगाया कौन सा फिल्म का बताओ?
Simba Teri Simba.
हाँ.
हाँ.
But I have a question for you guys.
हाँ.
Can you tell me, Simba is not original script.
हाँ.
It is not original script. No, Rohit Shetty is not good at that. He's not good at taking the budget. He's not good at presentation, whatever it is, right? He's got a good fan following. Uska stars अच्छा है. People, he makes a movie automatically. He blows up few cars and becomes famous. But the thing is, his movie has to become famous because he involves so deep in the movie. His whole team is like 1,000, 2,000 people in his workforce.
Huh.
Right? And automatically they'll have at least 1,000 people around them, so it becomes a hit anyways. The point is, I'm asking you, can you tell me which movie is Simba based on? Think about it, Varajan. Original script nahi hai. It's not original script. No, Sara Ali Khan
It
was
is not
launched.
Singham,
Huh?
It is not Singham.
It is not Singham.
Singham 1, 2, 3, Singham Junior.
Ah, Singham 1, 2, 3 Junior nahi.
Huh.
But Simba was a remake
Huh.
of a South Indian movie. कौन सा फिल्म था बता के सोच के यहाँ पे कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479 4089122479 Did you know that actually it was actually a remake, Fatwani?
I didn't know it was a remake, but I just thought that, because what's his name? Rohit Shetty has an affinity to Tamil, so I thought he has picked up that Rakti Pate, Machinga, Jana, Dachinga.
I'll ask you a question. Ratti Patti
Huh.
is very famously used in one of the other songs.
Rattikapatti da.
Yeah.
Which movie is that?
Baljan, can you tell me which movie it is? That also the
Oh,
masala
yes,
movie.
yes. That's a masala movie. Is that also him?
No.
Oh, that Rattipatti is used in another song with Jan. Mast
Yes.
song, mast dance song.
Mast
That's also
song
not-
hai. Yes.
Yeah, that is also another masala movie only.
It was a masala movie only. It actually had 2 versions of it. Actually 3 versions, right?
Huh.
They also came out 3D of it.
Huh.
Yeah, but the point I'm making about is I'm asking you masaladar movies. You're talking masaladar movies today, and I'm talking about how, we know what we'll do further. I'm thinking.
Huh.
We'll talk about the fact that Bollywood masala is because of the South Indian masala.
Hey, whatever, man.
Yes, because
so
of the...
you're saying without the sambar powder, rasam powder, Bollywood nahi chalega?
Very good. Without the mustard seeds in it, and also with all the other tadka they put, Bollywood film chalta nahi aajkal. Try kar lo bhai. I'm telling you, they actually have tried it. Karan Johar tried with what? Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Did it become successful? No, it did not.
What?
No. Only you liked it, father. Nobody else liked it.
What nonsense?
Yeah. Mass appeal ke liye, you must actually appeal to the masses.
Okay, what is a mass appeal here?
Mass means...
Oh, that's what you mean by mass all,
Uh-huh.
Masala.
Yeah. Masala. Masala comes from South, but the तो South masala लगा है इस particular film में. आप सोचो बताओ कौन सा film है? Simba film बताया मैंने जो actually supposedly super duper hit
Huh.
for Dharma Productions.
Huh.
Right? After a very long time he got a super duper hit because he lost nepotism, Queen and King, Ranveer Singh and also what's her name? Saif Ali Khan's daughter, Sara Ali Khan. Right? Well, Bhajan, now tell me which movie was it based on? Rohit Shetty did not make original movie. No, none of Rohit Shetty's movies are original scripts.
Huh.
No, you can actually go and check it out. It'll be inspired from some other story. He would have copy paste guru. He's a copy paste guru. Now you might say, "Hey, Golmaal is a new movie. All fresh." No. Golmaal also is copy paste from all kinds of comedy scenes he has seen. Actually, that's nothing else. Well, the point I'm making about this is, this film, jo hai Simba, was a copy of a South Indian movie. Which movie was that? Number to call here 408-912-2479 408-912-2479. When Faltani was seeing stars, I was wondering which movie that particular Rattipatti came.
I know which movie it came in. The other Rattipatti song.
Hey, what's a masala song? We'll play, no?
We'll play the song?
Masala song, Faltani.
Yeah, okay. Fine.
Like masala vada. Aha. What is that? Aha. This song actually had Rattipatti and Rohit Shetty copied. Because I have a feeling the direction of the particular movie also partly had to do with Remo.
अरे यन्ना पड़ा रास्कला यार मेरे चल दारू पिला डांगे डिस्को हाथ कबाली दारू बुरी चीज है साली पिएगा नहीं तो साला भेजा होगा साइको रे पिएगा नहीं तो साला भेजा होगा साइको रे
So you think you can dance, ah? Bring it on!
Respected auntie.
राज ने कसम आज मेरा जागरण
चाहे उल्टा चले छोड़ दे साथ जो सारी दुनिया तो वो थाम ले यार मेरे तू यार मेरे तू यार मेरे तू है कोई दोस्त या है दुआ अरे रे पीके होता है तू संडी पीके तेरी क्या गारंटी पीके होता है तू संडी पीके तेरी क्या गारंटी को बिना क्या करे पिएगा नहीं तो साला
नमस्कार बच्चन, मैं आपसे पूछने वाला हूँ एक सवाल। आपसे एक ही सवाल है बच्चन। वेल उस सवाल का तो जवाब नहीं मिला अभी तक। आई डोंट थिंक यू विल नो आल्सो वर्ड। व्हिच मूवी इज दिस पर्टिकुलर मूवी सिम्बा बेस्ड ऑन?
हैं?
किसी को मालूम नहीं है बात नहीं।
Which movie is this movie Simba based on? I'm pretty sure most of them know ki which movie it is based on.
No, they don't know.
No, actually it's hard, man. देख ना आलतू जो साउथ इंडियन फिल्म्स देखते हैं वो थोड़ी ना हिंदी में फिल्म में फिर से देखते हैं। एंड जो सिर्फ हिंदी में फिल्म देखते हैं वो थोड़ी ना साउथ इंडियन फिल्में देखते हैं।
Me.
ए तू हटके अरे तू नमूना है मैं भी नमूनी हूँ that's a different thing. I don't know how many people are like us. Not everybody is very cosmopolitan, right? Who can understand a Telugu movie,
Yeah.
Tamil movie and then see the same movie in Hindi also.
Yeah, but I'll tell you one thing. Most of the North Indians don't know about anything of South India, but South Indians actually watch Hindi movies.
Yeah, they do. That's true.
लोग बच्चन हम लोग जो भी थीम लेके आते हैं आप लोगों को आपका कान और दिमाग आँख खोल देते हैं। तो आज खोलने वाला हूँ आप लोगों का दिमाग, आपका आँख। Did you even know जो आप हिंदी फिल्में सोच के देख रहे हो?
Did you even know? Did you even know? Alto Baba.
ये मेरा accent है।
Okay.
This is Surma Bhopali accent along with Jawad Jafri.
अच्छा ठीक है आगे बढ़ा।
ये मेरा स्पेशल एक्सेंट है फालतू में। Did you even know
Yeah.
that the movies you watch in Hindi cinemas,
हाँ।
right? हिंदी मूवी जो आप बोलते हो
हाँ।
उसमें कितना ओरिजिनलिटी है?
क्या इसके बारे में बात करने वाले हो आज?
नहीं, आज मसाला के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं बच्चन। मसाला बॉलीवुड, मसाला मंडेस। एट सेम टाइम फालतू कुछ तो कुछ सीरीज रहना चाहिए ना। सम क्वेश्चन।
चलो विशाल जी आप आ जाओ जाके मसाला डोसा खाएंगे इसके बारे में।
क्या
इसके
मसाला
बाद
डोसा के बाद बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ विशाल जी बात कर रहे हैं मसाला डोसा। आ जाओ चलो चलते हैं कहीं मसाला डोसा खा के आते हैं।
अकेले अकेले।
हाँ।
आई डोंट लाइक दिस।
नो व्हाट आई डोंट
ये
लाइक दिस।
बात कुछ हजम नहीं हुई ठाकुर।
हाँ मुझे भी अभी मसाला डोसा खाने का मन हो रहा है अल्दू बाबा।
तेरे को ना
मैंने वहां पे लिखा था कि
कभी कभार तो काम किया कर। जब देखो बाहर जाना खाना, कभी कभार तो खाना छोड़ के कभी कभार तो काम
शर्म कर जो मैंने बनाया था पूरा खा के खत्म कर दिया और मेरे को खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं रखा।
हे हेलो फालतूनी, एक्सक्यूज मी।
Is it okay if we
I
finish off
told
this
you-
egg curry?
देखो,
Is it okay if I eat off
देखो
this thing? Do
गलती
you really
तेरे
need
हाथ
to-
में है फालतूनी।
हाँ?
तू जो इतना अच्छा पकाती है।
ओह, अभी तो वो मेरे को इंसल्ट लगा। कौन सा पकाने के बारे में बात कर रहे हो? पकवान जो बनाती है वो वाला?
पकवान अच्छा वो भी होता है। हाँ तू पकवान जान जो पकाती है ना सही पकाती है तू।
Seriously?
यस तू
Aw.
जान पकवान सब कुछ पकाती है, सही पकाती है तू। ये गुड कुकर।
कुकर?
हाँ।
Whatever. Anyway, तो बता आगे बता। तो पॉइंट क्या है अल्तू बाबा? You're trying to say that अगर हिंदी मूवीज में मसाला है तो फिर वो सिर्फ साउथ इंडियन मूवी से आता है? जैसे हमारा रसम पाउडर होता है, करी पाउडर होता है, हमारा कुरमा पाउडर होता है, ये मसाला होता है, वो मसाला कूट के मसाला बनाते हैं।
I'll tell you what फालतूनी।
हाँ।
Let me define one thing about Indian cinema.
हाँ।
Indian cinema was a real life. मतलब एक it's a fantasy world.
हाँ।
It's a world which actually had fantasy in it.
हाँ।
And fantasy used to be dictated or based on something in reality.
Huh.
A small thread of reality pakad ke just to make a fantasy.
Huh.
Like for instance, the concept of the hero archetype, right?
Huh.
Hero archetype is not.
मैं समझ सकती हूँ हीरो आर्किटाइप क्या है। हमारे सारे बंदूक थोड़ा ना समझ सकते हैं। ये आर्किटाइप तू सडनली इतने बड़े बड़े वर्ड यूज करेगा तो कैसे समझ में आएगा ना?
आ रहा हूँ डार्लिंग, थोड़ा सांस ले, सांस ले तू। सांस लेना सांस ले,
नहीं,
सांस ले,
मैं
सांस
कराटे
ले।
नहीं मारती हूँ।
तो कराटे मत मार, तू सांस ले।
हाँ।
और तू कराटे अच्छा तू कराटे मारती नहीं है? कभी तो वीडियो निकालना पड़ेगा मुझे,
निकाल।
कभी तो लगा दूंगा यूट्यूब पे उसका वीडियो। आप देखो क्या कराटे, कुंग फू, जूडो सब कुछ करती है वो,
अच्छा,
टाइकोंडो भी कर देती है।
तू मेरे बारे में कोई भी वीडियो लगाएगा ना, तेरे अंदर दिखा दूंगी तेरे को क्या तदिंगेड़ो तोम होता है तेरे
मेरा
सर पे।
तरीके ऑटोबा मैं परजन, मैं बोलता हूँ, मैं जब भी अच्छा फाइन, इट्स नॉट अबाउट मी फादर, व्हाई डू यू ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट मी? क्या तेरे अंदर इतना मेरे लिए फैन फॉलोइंग है कि ऑलवेज मेक टॉपिक अराउंड मी?
अच्छा ठीक है, हम लोग सांबार पाउडर रसम पाउडर कुछ बात कर रहे थे ना, मैं भूल गई क्या था
मैं
वो?
सांबार पाउडर, रसम पाउडर की बात नहीं करता, मैं तो बात करता हिंदी फिल्मों के बारे में। एंड हिंदी फिल्में जो मसाले फिल्म्स होती है ना,
हाँ।
राइट, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मोस्ट मसाला फिल्म, मसालेदार फिल्म जो होती है,
हाँ।
जो भी हुई है आज तक,
हाँ।
प्रीटी मच आर बाय प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ साउथ इंडियन मूवीज।
हाँ,
ये मेरा कहना है।
ओके, व्हाट इज अ मसाला फिल्म? वो पहले हमारे बंधुओं को डिफाइन कर, या बंधुओं से पूछ कि उनका डेफिनेशन क्या है मसाले मूवी का।
क्या बंदों से पूछ, मैं बताऊं क्या?
हाँ बताओ। ठीक है बता। ओके बंजन, अगर आप यहाँ पे चाइम इन करना चाहते हो, इतना छोटा बना के लगाया है नंबर इसने, यहाँ पे देखिए। सॉरी कि इतना छोटा है, हमारा जो ग्राफिक एक्सपर्ट है पता नहीं क्या कर दिया नंबर का। 4089122479 यहाँ पे
तेरा आंखें है कि
ये है,
बटन?
ये है स्टूडियो का नंबर 4089122479। इस नंबर पे कॉल करिएगा एंड जल्दी जल्दी कॉल करिएगा। एंड इफ यू आर अ साउथ इंडियन, इट्स जस्ट पिक अप द फोन एंड कॉल। डोंट वरी वेरी यू नो द आंसर और नॉट, आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट नाउ, कॉल बिकॉज represent. You got no, actually no, I'm doing the other way around. North Indian, you have to call and you're going to say, अरे भाई आलतू, ये तू कैसे बोल सकता है कि मसाला मूवी is from South India? Huh? North Indian, you have your own
मुझे-
MDH garam masala and all that stuff, right? So many different types of masala.
लेकिन जो भी मसाला बिका है नॉर्थ इंडियन में,
हाँ।
मतलब मसाला फिल्म बिका है,
हाँ
लेट्स गो बैक इन टाइम। हाउ अबाउट दैट फादरानी?
हाँ
लेट्स गो बैक इन टाइम।
हाँ
I'm telling you, no, I'm not talking millennium also. Let's
Okay.
go back in time.
हाँ
यहाँ तक कि एक ऐसा फिल्म है
हाँ
जो 1967 में आया था, दिलीप कुमार का फिल्म,
हाँ
मसालेदार फिल्म,
हाँ,
वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, डबल रोल फिल्म था वो।
ठीक है।
डबल रोल फिल्म सुपर डुपर हिट हो गया,
अच्छा
राइट? आप बताओ कि इसका ये मैं गाना लगाऊंगा उस फिल्म का।
हाँ
लेट्स सी इफ यू गाइस कैन आइडेंटिफाई व्हिच मूवी इट इज। हाउ अबाउट दैट?
हाँ
चलेगा तेरे लिए?
हाँ।
हाँ,
Which movie it is? A total masala movie you're saying?
इट वाज अ टोटल मसाला डबल एक्टिंग मूवी।
अरे वाह!
अरे बाबा।
Oh
हाँ।
wow, okay.
एंड आप बताओ बंजान, ये जो गाना आने वाला है ये कौन से फिल्म का है बताओ, और ये भी बताओ कि ये कौन से फिल्म का, एंड ये भी ओरिजिनल स्टोरी नहीं है बंजान। नो
हाँ।
नो 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 नो, ओरिजिनल स्टोरी नहीं, ओरिजिनल स्टोरी इज टेकन फ्रॉम अ साउथ इंडियन मूवी।
हाँ
आज पर्दाफाश करने वाले हैं बंजान, सभी चीजों का पर्दाफाश हो जाएगा, क्योंकि मैं बता रहा हूँ कि जो भी मसालेदार फिल्म बना है हिंदी फिल्म में, ऑल आर बेसिस और बेस्ड ऑन समथिंग लाइक व्हाट डू यू कॉल, शुड आई से साउथ इंडियन मूवीज।
अच्छा
या
ठीक है।
एंड ये गाना सुनो, सुपर डुपर गाना है, वहीदा रहमान।
जैसे दुल्हन
दिलीप कुमार के
बन गई चरागों से, करूंगा और उजाला मैं दिल के दागों से।
म्यूजिक बाय नौशाद बंजान। ये सुपर डुपर मूवी कौन सा है? इट बिकेम अ हिट, कॉन्सेप्ट भी हिट था, टेकन फ्रॉम अ साउथ इंडियन मूवी बंजान। कौन सा फिल्म था?
आज की रात मेरे दिल की सलामी ले ले, दिल की सलामी ले ले, कल तेरी बज़्म से दीवाना चला जाएगा, शम्मा रह जाएगी परवाना चला जाएगा। आज की रात मेरे दिल की सलामी ले ले, दिल की सलामी ले ले।
Banjan, what a beautiful song, right? Well, actually, music is the 60s. Actually, they had a wonderful concept of actually making it beautiful, like Hindiized.
हाँ
Story also has been modified a little bit, okay, by the way. But कौन सा फिल्म बेसिस था? कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479 पे।
तुझको
तेरी उल्फत से नहीं आज भी इनकार मुझे, तेरा मैं खाना सलामत रहे है जान वफा, मुस्कुरा कर तू जरा देख ले एक बार मुझे, फिर तेरे प्यार का मस्ताना चला जाएगा, कल तेरी बज़्म से दीवाना चला जाएगा, शम्मा रह जाएगी परवाना चला जाएगा, आज की रात मेरे दिल की सलामी ले
Well, Padrani, I think people don't know about it. तो आज मेरा काम है
क्या बात कर रहे हो? लोग नहीं जानते हैं विशाल अरोड़ा जी, आपको कब से फोनोफोबिया हो गया? अब मसाल डोसे की कसम आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना है। मसाल डोसे वी आर गोइंग टू गो एंड ईट, ओके?
मसाल डोसा ही तो अच्छी बोली, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं डोसा।
डोसा नहीं, वो डोसा नहीं है, बाय द वे इट इज
मसाल डोसे।
मसाला डोसे।
मसाला डोसा।
नो मैन, डोसे इज डोसे।
डोसा।
अगर आप कर्नाटका स्टाइल में बोलना चाहते हो, आपको बोलना है मसाल डोसा।
हाँ, मसाल डोसा।
मसाल डोसा।
डोसे।
Dose.
Dosa?
Dose. Masala dose.
See, you also forgot about that. You also
No,
forgot.
I get confused between the different languages.
Well, I tell you what, Brajan. Do मतलब give. Do sa.
हाँ.
Do से.
Dose.
दो से क्या होता है? दो से दो होता है, दो से पांच होता है, दो से तीन होता है।
आपको कॉल करना है 4089122479 पे एंड आपको बताना है क्या है, क्या आप जानते नहीं हो? वेल बाय द वे बिंदुजान, आई डोंट एग्री विद आलतूज कॉन्सेप्ट कि साउथ इंडियन मसाला ही चाहिए टू मेक अ हिंदी मसाला मूवी. आई डू नॉट बिलीव दैट.
Every time you actually go against my particular thing, Father, you always at the end of the day you give up and say yes, I'll you're
मैं
right.
तेरे से पूछना चाहती हूँ, डिफाइन मसाला क्या होता है?
I was telling you that before you cut me off last time. देखो Brajan, there's something called as storytelling. Indian cinema is all about storytelling, right?
हाँ.
Real life,
Huh.
fantasy.
हाँ.
There's a concept of a hero archetype. That's when you objected last time. Obstructed me last time. Let me finish.
अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बोलेगी.
हाँ.
Because he'll say I
कुछ नहीं
interrupted him.
कुछ नहीं बोले बोल के बोल रही है.
Yeah, I'm not going to interrupt you. आगे बताना.
Thank you very much. तो बल्कि the point is ये hero archetype जो है ना always fictitious होता है.
हाँ.
भले situation जो है real life से inspire हुआ हो.
Okay.
The character is generally fictitious.
हाँ.
There's nobody by that particular name in real life. Generally.
हाँ.
Like for instance, this movie का नाम बता दूं क्या मैं फालतू नहीं?
नहीं यार.
Okay, fine, whatever. कोई movie.
Okay, let me ask you. विजया नायर जी, आप Facebook पे हाय बोल रहे हो. आप
हाय बोल रहे? अरे यार हाय मत बोलो.
ऐसे नहीं, हाय बोल रहे. हेलो विजया नायर, नाइस टू सी यू एंड नाइस टू सी यू विशाल अरोड़ा जी. आपने कुछ आंसर लिखा है फेसबुक पे, मैं पढ़ने वाली हूँ.
मैं उसका नजरअंदाज करने वाला हूँ.
संपत, नाइस टू सी यू टू. संजय जी, कुकी जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. And who wants masala chai? Deepa, we want you to pick up the phone and give us a masaledar phone call.
Wait, is she saying masala chai?
हाँ.
Deepa, I want it now. Will you bring it? पकड़ी गई.
She's saying it's a mast masala theme today. Yes.
Of course, masala theme. I'm asking you. People don't know about this thing. I'll tell you what. Let me finish what I was talking about. Masala. What is the masala movie, right?
Yeah.
Hero जो है is a fantastic story, right? It's a fantasy. Totally. कोई ऐसा कोई बंदा हो ही नहीं सकता, right? They can't be heroine also as beautiful as what they make them feel. Because even actually look at the real life heroines, they look so compared to what they are on screen. Seriously, I'm not kidding. Have you seen the आजकल के heroines and all? They look like sukudi. They look like somebody from Somalia.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're so starved.
Okay.
Size 0. Oh my God. And actually, the screen makes them look nice. That's all.
Okay. Okay. हाँ,
It all lies on screen.
Okay.
So our point is, masala film is something which actually, you go there, you know it's not real. So go through the whole roller coaster ride and come out.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Roller coaster ride of, whatever it is, happiness, sadness, anger, everything comes in.
अबे.
Yeah.
रोलर कोस्टर हर मूवी में होता है. हर मूवी में एक
होता है.
प्रोटैगनिस्ट होता है, हर मूवी में एक एंटागनिस्ट होता है, हर मूवी में कोई ना कोई जीतता है और कोई ना कोई हारता है. बीच में ऐसे एंड ऑल वेल दैट एंड्स वेल, या कोई सभी मर जाते हैं. Sorry, that's what every movie is.
I don't know what movies you're watching, Father. That's why I told you don't watch Karan Johar films.
What?
Your brain becomes fried like what you're doing right now.
What?
But Rajan, ये तो करण जौहर का बड़ी फैन है. ये तो ऐसे ही उसका ब्रेन फ्राई हो गया है. She even watches talk shows. Can you imagine? My goodness.
Why shouldn't I watch his talk show? What's wrong with that?
Everything is fake in that.
Oh God.
Nothing is true in that talk show, Faltwani. Do you think that person is even real?
Okay, fine, Altu Baba.
No, you don't think so.
Okay.
You think so? Or you don't?
I think so.
You think so? He's real?
I think he's.
I know,
very-
because she knows he listens to our show, right? Karanji, I just told you.
Look,
Haha, called you out. Ho, ho, ho.
look. He thought the concept was very nice. He thought what we do is very nice. So why shouldn't I like his shows, man? It doesn't matter. I think he's got some brains up there.
Of course he has
So,
brains up there. Otherwise, he
and
would be where he is.
and you know what? People can say whatever you want. You got to give credit where it's due, boss. If somebody is talented in certain areas, I think he's got some good writing. And at the same
No, no,
time,
no.
when vanity comes into play, then and when it's
I
about
don't know about Vanity, but if you don't have any sanity, you'll definitely go watch Vanity there. But the point is, Faltwani, he also has got a concept of masala movies. He has actually done some masala movies.
Yes,
When
he
you say
has.
masala movies are purely fictional, purely useless, but purely for the purpose of entertainment only.
correct.
They might not add value into your life, like, make you enrich you or whatever. Sometimes they do, but at the same time, they actually only make you feel happy and come out of it. Like,
Lekin Alto, I'm going to ask you something very simple.
please.
On what basis did you say Bollywood masala movies are based on South Indian movies?
Majority of the hit movies of Bollywood are based on South Indian movies. And even this movie I played right now, the song, people don't know which movie it is from. Aaj Ki Raat Meri.
I got an answer on Facebook, and unfortunately, I'm not going to read it out.
Don't read it out. I will tell you the answer in Faltwani.
Ah,
It is Dilip Kumar starring, double acting movie.
Huh.
And it was a movie called Ram or Sham.
Ram or Sham?
Yes.
Okay.
And did you know Ram or Sham was based on a Telugu movie?
Huh.
Ramudu Bhimudu.
Ramudu Bhimudu came out first?
Yes, 1964. This is 1967.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
And was it a super duper hit? Let me
Yeah.
guess. Was it Akineni Nageshwar Rao?
I have absolutely no idea. Don't ask me all those questions.
Ramudu Bhimudu.
Well,
Sounds
I'll
like
tell you
that.
what. That actually was that's kind of spurred a lot of concepts based on double acting, like Sita or Geeta, Kishan Kanhaiya, Chalbaz, all those things based on that only. After that particular Ramudu Bhimudu concept. Yeah. So basically, that particular masala concept was from South India, na?
Oh, wow.
Something falling that Faltani.
No,
Same,
it's NTR.
same difference, dude.
NT Ramarao.
N.T. Ramarao, or Ramudu Bhimudu, same, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome? Like, they are the first people to come in the concept. So masala, that storytelling, dekho wahan pe.
Oh, wow.
How they thought of it, people looking alike. Twins.
Are you telling me before that they never had any twin stories in Bollywood?
Didn't I just tell you that?
Really?
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey.
are you sure?
Yeah. They would have had double acting, but not this kind of twins concept.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
I didn't know
They would
that.
have had grown up twins. There were people like for instance, that Chinatown.
Hey,
Chinatown.
What about that song? Bacche man ke sache.
That came after 60s, man.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, of course, yes. But anyway,
No
the point
chance.
is the movie having heroes
Huh.
as two twins struggling, like, each of them separated by birth, whatever it is, and then one of them becoming very nice, one of them becoming very, Faltani, please tell me what date it is.
I'm trying to find. Wait, man. Do Kalyan. When did that release? I'm trying to find the dates.
Faltani, please, I know this. But anyway, the point is there have been movies like Chinatown, which came in 60s. What time? When is it?
1968.
Yeah, when did Ramudu come? 64.
Okay. Is this also Do Kalyan also based on a South Indian story?
Could be.
I-
Oh, yeah, it is. That Padmini also there. No, she's there in the thing. This is actually Tina Munim, right? In this particular Do Kalyan.
No, man.
Yeah.
Need to sing.
Need to sing. Same mistake.
You God.
Hey, they all look alike, man. They all look alike.
Oh, God.
What? No? Tina Munim.
Oh, God. Stop, Altu Baba.
Okay, fine. Tina Munim actually had a relationship with Rishi Kapoor. No? He didn't? She didn't?
Rajesh.
Rajesh Khanna. Okay, fine. But she got married to whom?
Okay, it's actually. Oh my God, Altu Baba, you're absolutely right.
Thank you
It's-
so much.
It's a remake. Do Kalya also is a
Yeah.
remake of a Tamil movie called Kurandayum Deivamum.
Uh-huh. And that was Radhika, right?
I have no idea who was in the
Baby
Tamil
Radhika was there in that thing, but then I know this for sure, Father. I'm telling you, right? Most of the hit cinemas of now, all the North Indians are not going to call us today. They'll feel, oh my God, Toba, what he's saying. Unbelievable. So I understand. Doesn't matter. But I will keep on presenting my particular case, Fadwani, because ye tha Ramudu Bhimudu, right? Now I'll tell you one more thing, Fadwani.
Huh.
I will tell you this particular movie which came out in 2000s.
Huh, okay.
No, let me ruin the 90s for people. What? What?
Okay, Deepa say kuch bhi. Masala movies give who said the masala movies don't give entertainment to viewers?
Deepa, you have to listen to the show properly in entirety.
Yeah.
It's called detail show. It's not called non-detail show. Yes. Non-detail is when you don't read the whole detail, right?
That's right.
So this is a detail show. So,
So बच्चा लोग पेपर पेन ले लेने का, नोट्स ले लेने का.
Yeah.
आज हमारा आलतू बाबा कुछ और
पट्टी पढ़ा रहा है.
अज्ञान झाड़ने वाला है यहाँ पे.
Yes.
यानी कि आलतू ज्ञान अज्ञान. So
Yes.
please be ready. He's going to share something with you.
ये अज्ञान is based on विज्ञान, but Jan, I'll tell you what. ये जो अगला गाना, अगला फिल्म जो पेश करने वाला हूँ फालतू नहीं.
हाँ.
इस फिल्म जो है ना,
हाँ.
it is people think it's creative concept. It is not a creative concept.
हाँ.
You want me to play a song for the movie?
Okay.
It will ruin people's lives again,
Why?
as in their concepts of
Oh.
life. Oh, Hindi cinema is giving very good.
Ch-
What?
Oh, chance ही नहीं है. I don't think. I'll give you some masala movies shortly, which are not South Indian remakes.
कुछ भी
तू
यार.
देख लेना. तू देख लेना.
कुछ भी
See,
यार.
I have a different take on masala movies.
Yeah, what take is it? Tell me.
Huh. Oh, Altu Baba said it seems masala movies have nothing to give.
Nothing to give. Who said that?
Deepa is saying you said that it seems.
Masala movies have nothing to give, Nere Baba. We can't. Masala movies don't actually enrich sometimes your life in terms of your intellect or whatever it is, but definitely gives you happiness.
Huh?
Yes. Masala movies. Come on, when you eat dosa, don't you feel happy?
Hey,
Masala dosa.
that is nutrition. What are you talking about? It's
Hey,
lentil crepes.
masala dosa can never give you nutrition, but it can give you lots of gas. That's the only thing it can do you.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
People actually have too much of it. Actually, have gastric problem.
Be quiet. So dosa is not a good breakfast food?
Who says not a good breakfast? The way it's made in the restaurant is not good. What I'm saying.
Acha. Anyway, I like masala dosa. Benne masala dosa. With some
Today-
hot piping filter coffee.
I understand. I
Yeah,
understand.
I feel like it, Pandujan.
Yes, yes.
Right now.
Yeah. Hey, but I was thinking about there's a movie called Chachi 420 which came up. I was trying to look for a song for the movie. Nothing is there. Yeah?
Hey.
All the
Dada
songs-
bhaga bhaga sa.
Nah. see.
Dada, I don't
Well,
like that.
that
song.
movie itself was supposed to be a masala movie.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, that masala movie was not the original Hindi movie. Neither was the original Tamil movie.
It was total Chori Ka Maal
Yeah.
from Mrs. Doubtfire.
Mm-hmm.
But that was not a masala movie. Hello.
It was not. It was a masala movie. 100% masala movie. What are you
यार
talking about?
randomness यार ऐसा
Hello,
कोई
will
मसाला
a man ever dress up like a female and go become babysitter for his ex-wife?
Altu Baba, that was not a typical masala movie.
It was 100% masala movie.
ठीक है.
Okay, so what do you think, Faltani? You're totally...
For me, masala movie will be like a formula, Altu Baba. Like, there will be a hero, there'll be a heroine. At one point, the masala was a little different, which had the, like the North Indian masala types, where the hero
Long
is...
elaichi.
Wait, no, it's where the heroine belongs to a rich family. Generally, will be the and
Those
the
are called
hero.
formula movies.
Wait,
Faltani.
man, and the hero belongs to a poor background.
Chichi, those are all formula movies.
That's masala, man.
No, it's not masala. Formula movies, yeah. Dal tadka. That's what it is.
Dal tadka.
Formula movies. You put some jeera, you put something and put dal into it, becomes dal, right?
Oh God.
Well, dal barabar movies, yeah. These are the formula movies.
Oh God.
What's the easiest thing to make at home? Dal,
Ha.
rajma, chole. Simple. Is that? Think of it that way, Faltwani. But masala, that is masala. When you do some masala, like, Karela masala, or something like, tinda masala, or chicken masala, chicken curry, that kind of stuff. Those are masala movies. Where you have tangdi, you have all the stuff in it.
Oh God.
Tinda, tangdi, all in it. It'll be nice.
What about vegetarians?
Tinda? Do you know tinda fry you never had?
I
Karela
would-
fry. Have you Karela fry with
Yes,
masala?
yes,
That's what is
yes.
masala movie. Where you actually have something very unique. It's not formula.
Yeah.
So, a movie like Golmaal does not come under the category of masala.
Why?
The old one.
Old Golmaal. No,
Yeah.
it's a very intelligent comedy.
Correct,
So
intelligent
you're
comedy.
saying that is not a masala movie?
No, it doesn't have to be a masala movie.
It is a comedy
but
of
for a
errors,
movie,
isn't
a
it?
movie like Mard is a masala movie. Now that I give it to you. I will hand that to you, Father, saying that yes, Mard was a masala movie.
That's true.
Yeah.
What about Sholay? 100%
100%
masala.
masala, Father. Oh my God, Faltu, you're naming movies which actually are totally original stories. But
Yeah.
actually, no. Sholay also no original story, by the way.
Eh?
Magnificent Seven.
Okay, well, hello, but it was
Minus
a very
5.
nice Indianized Magnificent.
Magnificent 7 minus 5.
Well, क्या बात कर रहा है? Total masala movie Sholay was, man.
Yes, I agree with you. I think-
Diwar.
I-
Total masala movie.
Correct, now
And
you
it
come-
wasn't a South Indian
Fine.
movie.
Now we're coming to the point right
Huh.
now. I wanted the bandhus to come and tell me, no, Altu Baba, this is the movies, masala movies, and Hindi movies. Come on, show me, tell me what is different.
उसके लिए दिल जिगर.
और नंबर चाहिए 4089122479। माफ कीजिएगा, हमारे फालतू कभी काम करती नहीं ठीक तरह से। मैंने उसको बताया था कि शो के स्टार्ट में से फालतू नहीं, कॉन्टैक्ट रीड कॉन्टैक्ट फाइन प्रिंट, यू आर हियर टू रीड द फोन नंबर्स पीरियडिकली, दैट्स योर जॉब।
क्या बोला?
करती नहीं है तू ना?
क्या?
नहीं कुछ नहीं।
क्या?
नहीं वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन नहीं किया। हाँ
I'm here to what?
नहीं कुछ नहीं।
I'm here to what?
अरे तू नंबर बोलना।
I'm here to what? फिर से बोलना?
Here to actually shine the light of the phone number, and of course number to call you.
क्या?
I'll do it now.
क्या बोला?
मैं हूँ ना फादर। 4089122479 408912247 तू नहीं देगी ना नंबर?
हाँ?
तो अपना काम कभी मत कर तू।
क्या? 4089122479 मैंने बताया था बंदजान, एंड आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना है 40891122479 पे। एंड
Oh my God, Deepa! What are you talking about? She's saying no, Sholay is not masala movie.
It is an
Sholay
amazing-
is 100% masala movie, Deepa.
absolutely, I mean, oh my
No,
god.
if you called, I'd have given you some sense, but then it doesn't matter. You didn't call, it's okay.
Call Deepa. No taking no doing Facebook talking only. Hello, नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। पैम में कौन है जी?
Hello, Pampa, welcome to Masala Mondays. और Deepa, bye.
मैं मसाला चाय लेके आ गई।
अरे very good, Deepa. Deepa, it should not be ख्याली चाय, okay? You should actually bring it physically.
Yeah.
लेके आ रहे हो?
अरे पास में होते तो जल्दी आ जाती मैं, उधर आने तक वो मसाला चाय जाके मसाला कुल्फी हो जाएगा।
No, don't worry. हमारे
कितना ठंडा है बाहर।
हमारे पास माइक्रोवेव है, गर्म कर लेंगे हम लोग।
Yeah, वो कुछ बोलते हैं, it is called
Flask.
flask.
It's called a flask.
हाँ.
Thermos.
अच्छा
हाँ.
ठीक है
Thermos.
नेक्स्ट टाइम।
हाँ.
क्या नेक्स्ट टाइम? हेलो, ये अभी बोल के क्या नेक्स्ट टाइम बोले? यही होता है ख्याली पुलाव। सी देखो फालतू ऑल फॉल्स प्रॉमिसेस। हाँ, माय गॉड, हाँ, माय लाइफ इज फिल्ड विद
अरे देखो मैंने कॉल किया ना,
हाँ.
प्रॉमिस जैसे किया तो
हाँ. तो अभी बताओ दीपा,
अरे-
do you believe that what Altu Baba is saying?
she'll say no, you don't ask that way because
Yeah,
everything.
you know what-
hold
what is he saying? Can you
hold
tell me again?
hold on, Deepa. Falsari, never ask a black statement of Deepa. Deepa stands to counter whatever I say. She's a
ऐसा कुछ
contrarian
नहीं है।
Deepa.
अरे देखो ये कोई बात हुई, मैंने बहुत बार एग्री भी किया है तुम्हारे साथ।
Wait, hold on. If I say Deepa, if I tell Falsari, if I say that Joe Biden is going to do good to America, Deepa will say no, right, Deepa? I told you, I know Deepa.
बहुत कंट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चन हो गया।
Controversial नहीं, मुझे मालूम है ये contrary question है आपके लिए. You have to differ with whatever I say. Like if I say the world is a wonderful place, Deepa will say questionable,
हाँ.
right?
अच्छा
Yeah?
अरे नहीं मैंने ऐसे कब कहा?
नहीं कहा, लेकिन
Of
but you
course,
मानते
world
हो
India is
ना?
a
But you definitely agree
beautiful
that
place,
Joe Biden is going to do good for America, right? Yeah, Deepa, I know your friends are listening. You're scared of your friends.
अंतु बाबा
हाँ.
ये मसाला मंडे से जाके गड़बड़ घोटाला गुरुवार हो रहा है।
नहीं गड़बड़ घोटाला गुरुवार नहीं हो सकता है भाई, ये तो मसाला मंडे सी है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई वांट योर फ्रेंड्स टू नो व्हाट योर ट्रूथ। हे व्हाई यू सो अशेम्ड ऑफ इट? एक्सेप्ट इट। Kamala Harris is the queen. Come on. No?
I'm very happy about Kamala.
Not about Biden though.
Yeah, about
Oh.
Biden too, man. She just doesn't want to say it because
I'm little doubtful. That's all.
Doubtful of
अरे
what?
मैं कौन होती हूँ बाबा कहने वाली? अभी हो गया, सब हो गया ना, इतने सारे लोगों ने I'm not even
काश आपके
मेरे पास वो अधिकार भी नहीं है तो
नहीं I'll tell you one thing. I wish your supporter, the person you supported, understand this one. If only Trump understood this particular concept of Deepa. Deepa, you should talk to him more often, Deepa.
यस
To Trump.
इसीलिए मैं कॉल कर रही हूँ अभी बात करने के लिए।
She knows Trump listens to our show, huh?
aha.
Hey, Deepa, come on. I want to ask you, what is your definition of, let's ask you, we both different definition, Faltwani.
Of masala?
So, what is your definition of masala film?
Yes. Masala
हाँ
movie क्या?
मसाला मेरे हिसाब से मसाला मूवी वो है जिसमें सारी चीजें रहती हैं, लाइक ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ फॉर्मूला, नॉट जस्ट वन।
हाँ.
इधर उसमें लव भी रहेगा, कॉमेडी भी रहेगा, ट्रेजेडी भी रहेगा, थोड़ा एक्शन भी रहेगा।
हाँ.
जैसे फराह खान मूवी मैं हूं ना,
हैं?
फॉर मी दैट इज द अल्टीमेट क्लासिक मसाला मूवी।
Yeah.
जहाँ में थोड़ा एक्शन हो, डिशू.
Yeah. No, I agree.
Tragedy.
Yeah, it has everything.
Yeah.
In fact, she herself told that's what she is like. अभी जैसे हम सब लोग है ना बिग मूवी बफ, वो भी ऐसे ही है। मतलब वो उसको बचपन से ऐसा एक सपना था कि
दीपा
वो ऐसा कोई मूवी करेगी जिसमें सारे
दीपा।
कॉलेज का भी होगा उसमें और देश प्रेम का भी होगा और एक्शन भी होगा और ब्रदर्स के बीच में झगड़े का भी
अरे
होगा,
दूर
love
जाने
story
की
होगा।
दूर जाने की
दीपा।
जरूरत क्या है? अब उनका अमेरिकन पॉलिटिक्स देखो ना, टोटल मसाला फिल्म है अभी।
यस दीपा
या,
टोटल
या।
दीपा मुझे फराह खान से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, बस मैं आपकी बात सुनता हूँ।
हाँ।
जो हमें कॉल करता है मैं उन्हीं का बात सुनता हूँ, बाकी सब लोगों का तो मैं बस नजरअंदाज कर देता हूँ।
जो भी कॉल करेगा
जो भी
कॉल करेगा
हाँ जो बाइडन भी कॉल करता है ना।
जो भी कॉल करेगा, हाँ बिल्कुल।
Very good. So I like your definition of masala film and I like it. So finally she said she came up with one particular song, movie actually. And I will definitely play a song for you from the movie. How about that?
Well,
Yes,
which
please.
movie, man? मैं हूँ ना.
मैं
is
हूँ
it?
ना, she told, no?
Oh, that's
मैं
true.
हूँ ना.
That's so true. But you know her other masala movies failed, yeah, big time. Like Happy New Year, क्या बकवास movie था, seriously.
हाँ वो नहीं वो मसाला नहीं खेलेगा ना. It is only one concept and it is मुझे लगता है it's more of a derivative of Ocean's 11 ये वो. जब भी तुम लोग कुछ कॉपी करना चाहोगे ना वो ओरिजिनलिटी नहीं रहेगी ना, तो मोस्ट लाइकली इट इज अ फ्लॉप यूजुअली.
No. If you copy from South Indian movie, it'll become a hit. If you take copy from a South Indian movie, it'll become a hit.
घर की बात घर में रहेगी ना.
घर की बात घर में रहेगी. Okay, Deepa. Fine. Deepa, you know what? Thank you so
हाँ,
much.
exactly. क्योंकि वो डोसे को पलट के ऐसे लगाएंगे तो समझ में नहीं आएगा लोगों को.
हाँ.
Yes. और वैसे भी साउथ इंडियन स्टोरी वो हिंदी में किया तो मतलब यू कैन स्टिल रिलेट टू इट ना. इट इज स्टिल एन इंडियन मूवी.
हाँ, जैसे कि हमारी my mom used to say one thing, you know, कल का डोसा आज का उत्तपम. तो लोगों को पता नहीं चलता है, टमाटर डाल दो उसके ऊपर उत्तपम बन जाता है.
हाँ,
And you can make a remake a new Hindi movie. People think, ah, very nice. But actually, it's actually the stale for batter actually
Oh God.
from last night.
अरे कुछ भी. I agree with फालतू रानिया. डोसा को कुछ नहीं बोलने को. क्या कुछ भी.
I said one.
नहीं है, गैस होता है. कौन बोल रहा है?
हाँ, gas.
You know.
Gas? What are you talking about?
You said no dosa.
You said it.
Hey, of course, yeah. Hey, when you go to the restaurants, not eat it's not soda. They put soda in it.
नहीं, then नहीं.
They put soda, no? Hey,
ऐसा
okay,
नहीं बोलते.
Deepa, you make the dosa first tomorrow.
Idli is known to be the best breakfast in the world. You know that, right?
I'm
It has
talking about dosa,
ranked
not idli.
Number one.
I'm talking about dosa, not idli.
Yeah, idli dosa same ही है वो.
No, same नहीं है. Come on, dosa,
Yeah, same
idli
here.
is steamed, dosa is fried on what do you call it? Pan. thing,
अरे
right?
especially
Griddle.
the batter which Tamilians do, they use the same batter for both idli and dosa. अरे कभी खाना बनाया तो पता चलेगा. आलतू बाबा, you cannot say all those things.
कभी खिलाओ पता चलेगा. कहाँ खिलाओ? कब खिलाया हमें? कब खिलाया दीपा? बातें मत कर. देखो बस I catch you on the spot point. कब खिलाया मुझे डोसा? कब खिलाया? छोड़ो. भाकरी खिलाया? रोटी खिलाया कभी?
क्यों खिलाओ? इतने
कभी
सारे
खिलाया?
लोग अभी
कभी खिलाया?
डेफिनेटली कविता ने बना के खिलाया होगा.
नहीं कविता
You
छोड़ो.
have
कविता
had
सविता में नहीं
in the
चाहिए.
restaurant.
दीपा सविता कविता में नहीं चाहिए. दीपा कुछ खिलाए कि नहीं? डोसा खिलाया मुझे? नहीं ना. रोटी बनाया कभी?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं
ना.
खिलाया. मैं मानती हूँ.
मानती हो मतलब बस खत्म. बात खत्म. नहीं खिलाया तो बात नहीं करेंगे इसके बारे में.
ये कविता, what you say something. फालतू रानी, क्या तुम चुप बैठी गई?
ये आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड है क्या कविता कोई?
यार तुमने अभी तक खिलाए नहीं तो
हाँ,
ज्यादा तो
डोसे
मैं
के
कुछ
बारे में-
नहीं,
नहीं
वो नहीं बोल रही हूँ. He is talking against dosa. Then that is.
I am not talking
unacceptable.
against dosa. I'm talking for dosa. I'm saying that's nice. It's filling because
No,
after
he
you-
doesn't like dosa. In general, he doesn't like dosa.
Really?
Yeah,
he
yeah.
Oh
doesn't.
my God.
I'm more of an idli
You
kind
know,
of guy.
whenever most people don't like idli, but they like dosa.
I like
पहली
idli, but-
बार मैं किसी से मिल रही हूँ जो जिसको डोसा पसंद नहीं है.
मेरा नाम जो है ना बाय मिस्टेक हो रहा है. लिखने के टाइम रजिस्टर में गलती हो गया था. मेरा नाम उल्टा था, निकालते हो गया. Yeah.
He
आलतू
It
बाबा
changed.
सबसे
It is-
हटके.
Yeah, it is ULTA ALTU became. That's all.
Yeah, ATLU. Oh,
Yeah.
they're
हाँ,
dyslexic.
seriously,
also.
हाँ. उल्टा को भी उल्टा कर दिया.
उल्टा को भी आलतू कर दिया मैंने. Yeah. Hey, but thank you so much, Deepa, for calling us today and supporting Masala and agreeing with me finally.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she finally came to the point of yeah, Altu Baba, you're right.
Hey, dude, there are many masala movies like this which are not necessarily South Indian remakes.
Okay,
Yes,
we'll
yes,
see, we'll
many.
see, we'll
एक
see.
ये भी है ना.
अरे,
if you consider
गिने चुने भाई गिने चुने हैं.
Kalono can be
No, it's
considered
not.
as masala also.
Kalhono is not a masala movie at all.
Bazigar is a masala movie.
Bazigar is-
the biggest masala.
Yeah, कि count on
Again.
your fingers यार. क्या 10 maximum.
क्या? all Yash Raj movies
What?
masala.
Kuch bhi. Or not all extra movies are nice, by the way.
Excuse me, all Yash Raj movies are masala.
Not all extra movies are
नहीं,
nice.
all Yashraj, they come under love stories.
Thank you very much,
वो
Deepa.
मसाला है, right? There'll
नहीं.
be a hero and a heroine.
अरे
and-
लव स्टोरी बन गया तो मसाला कैसे बनता है डार्लिंग?
अरे उसमें आता है ना, रोना धोना होता है, फिर एक्शन वैक्शन होता है, कोई विलन आता है,
हाँ,
कोई
यश राज-
कम रहता है
हाँ, thank you very much.
यशराज में सिर्फ गाने
See, ऐसे बातों
लवी रहता है
में
बस.
ऐसे बातों में I like you, Deepa. You always give Vardhani back always.
ए,
Yeah, support Deepa, support.
Raj.
Good one, Deepa. Good point. Yeah, love story में एक्शन कहाँ होता है? Exactly.
ए, लव स्टोरी में एक्शन नहीं होता है.
नहीं, ऐसे एक्शन नहीं चाहिए.
बहुत कम रहता है.
ये कविता ये फादर का एक्शन कुछ और है बात है. अरे शो अच्छा करो फादर. What is this? प्रोड्यूसर सुन रहे हैं हमारे. हाँ. But Deepa, thank you so much. I'm waiting to play a song for you, but probably I'll play it only after the break.
Okay, fine.
ठीक है, अभी प्रणव जी को कॉल करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
आ,
Yeah,
वो तो
Uncle.
एक्शन में बिजी रहेंगे.
Yes, yes.
What?
I know. I didn't say it. Deepa, she said it.
Pranav ji, please call and tell your definition of masala, and also Meenakshi.
What about Meenakshi?
Thank you so much.
But Deepa, thank you so much for calling us. We are already coming back into the next hour also, by the way. Thank you so much, yeah.
Thank you so much for calling in. Have a good one.
And of course, Bachchan, don't go anywhere. Keep right here. We're going to a quick break and we'll be back right after this.
क्या रे?
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
नमस्कार
नमस्ते.
नमस्कार
वणक्कम.
खुशामदीद
अस्सलामुअलैकुम.
सत श्री अकाल
మీకు అందరికీ వందనము.
जय स्वामीनारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जिनेन्द्र
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद.
मौलाली मतलब बोलते हैं सारे फीजी बंद को बोलेंगे निसाम बुला
हम आ गए हैं बंधुजन, आपके ही प्यारे.
मही बाकी दुलारे मैं सिर्फ फालतू बाबा.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स माइसेल्फ फालतू रानी बनाने आपके ट्यूसडे वाली शाम को, अच्छी मंडे वाली शाम को और मैग्निफिसेंट और मस्तानी बंद जानी.
वेरी गुड बट जान देखा ये कभी she never pay attention in the show. That's a problem.
अबे
हाँ.
आलतू बाबा,
बोल रहे हैं
237 डेज हो गए कोविड शेल्टरिंग इन प्लेस में. ओके
237 days हो गया बट जान शेल्टरिंग इन प्लेस करते
एंड
मतलब oh my god 237 यही पे बाजू मिलपीटिस. Nice. But once in a millennium it comes, the opportunity comes. It's a very special day, 237.
Yes. So today it is our day or the highway.
East way, East Bay, no, East,
No.
East or West.
230.
237 is the best.
What nonsense.
237 days faster.
Well, actually, 237 is the best because it connects so many different freeways. It
Yeah,
connects
let's see.
880, it connects 101, it connects 85, it connects Calaveras Boulevard. I don't know what else.
That's all. It's a small freeway.
क्या इतना सारे freeway connect करता है?
It's very small, but still connects everything.
280 भी.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, there is a like.
No, 237 actually is connects 680.
El Camino Real also.
Hey,
Yeah, it.
Impossible.
Yeah, of course it does.
impossible.
Randomness. It
No,
goes.
it doesn't, man.
अबे, it ends in Grant Road. क्या बात कर रहा है?
Okay, fine. I'll give it
हाँ.
to you, Faltani. Ends in Grand Road. Grand Road connects to it. Okay, fine. Happy, Faltani?
हाँ.
Are you happy?
हाँ.
खुश तो है तू?
हाँ.
बस खत्म.
हाँ.
And of course, भजन अभी let's tell you, दीपा जी ने कॉल किया था और एक हमें मसालेदार फिल्म दे दिया नाम उन्होंने.
हाँ.
मैं हूँ ना के बारे में.
हाँ.
लेकिन आज का शो उसके बारे में नहीं है ना.
Alto Baba, but that is the whole thing. The Today show is about the masala shows, Banjan. And if you're wondering what is the, I'm talking about the masala, the show. Basically, what we're talking about is Bollywood movies that become huge commercial successes, right? And have total the absence of a plot.
Yeah.
It's sort of like it takes a little bit of
Oh.
tragedy, little bit of comedy,
Oh.
a little bit of action, a little bit of drama, a little bit of everything and puts it together.
Oh.
And then the movie is doled out. Ki, "Hai, chal yaar, dimag ghar pe chal." For example, Chennai Express. 100% akka masala movie it is, that movie, if you've seen the movie. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but
It was a hit actually.
it was super duper hit, Chennai Express.
Black to white.
And I think almost every Salman Khan movie is just 100% masala movie. I don't know. Again, I'm going to like...
It's not just Salman Khan, Patrani.
Why?
Some even Amir Khan movies actually are masaladar movies.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Yes, but some of them actually are so nice that they become super duper hits.
Hey,
Yeah?
tell me which masala movie is, which Amir Khan movie is a masala
I'll
movie?
play a song. Bandujan, आप बताओ कि कौन सा फिल्म है. Number to call here 408-912-2479. 408 912 247 no.
बहका मैं बहका वो बहकी हवा सी आई एक ही नजर में सब मंजिल मंजिल पाए हटके अलग सी थी बिल्कुल जुदा सी ना ही अदाएं ना कोई अंगड़ाए बहका बहका मैं बहका बहका महका ये मन है महका बहका मैं बहका वो बहकी हवा सी आई एक ही नजर में सब मंजिल मंजिल पाए
Nothing on point. Nariman point. Go straight. Take a right again. You come to the Mantralaya. Just stop. Je ne comprends pas. No English.
Walking through, il y a un rond-point, il y a le Mantralaya juste devant.
Oh, merci beaucoup. Oh, Tiki.
धड़कन धक 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 हुई दिल ता 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 धाई चाल डगमग मग डगमग मग हुई झूमू झमक झमाझम रास्ता ताको 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 मैं पल पल जागो 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 मैं बार बार बदल करवट उसको सोचूं मैं बहका बहका मैं बहका बहका महका ये मन है महका गुजरे जहां से वो रौनक उड़ाए झलके नदी सी वो मुझको भिगोती जाए वो नवीने लुटाए खट्टा सा बचपन मीठी शरारत थोड़ा रेशम है थोड़ी नजाकत कभी शर्माए कभी लहराए उसमें साहिल है और जाने कितनी गहराई बहका मैं बहका वो बहकी हवा सी आई एक ही नजर में सब मंजिल मंजिल पाए हटके अलग सी थी बिल्कुल जुदा सी ना ही अदाएं ना कोई अंगड़ाए
And of course, this was from the movie. मैं क्यों बताऊं? आपको फोन करके बताना पड़ेगा कि कौन सी फिल्म है. मैं बताऊंगा कौन सिंगर है. कार्तिक is singer of this. Music direction by A.R. रहमान. प्रसून जोशी के लिरिक्स है बड़जन. And आपको बोलना पड़ेगा कि कौन से फिल्म का गाना है. ये मसाला फिल्म था मेरे ख्याल से फातोनी. टोटल मसाला फिल्म.
Yeah.
आप यहाँ पे सोच आज के कॉल कीजिएगा on this number 408-912-2479. 408-912-2479 is a digital voice for you guys.
Yeah.
Again, 408-912-2479. If you just say, hey Siri, dial, and you keep the Siri towards our speaker now. Fatwani, number बोल.
408-912-2479.
डायल नहीं किया? हाँ, काम नहीं करता. कोई सुंदर इसकी बात.
Oh,
नंबर
क्या?
408-912-2479. 408-912-2479. जब तक आप यहाँ से सोच साच के कॉल कर ले. दीपा का ये गाना from the मसालेदार मूवी. मैं हूँ ना. मुंह तो बंद कर अंकल. Hello, who's this?
Hi.
Hi, hi, कैसे हैं मीनाक्षी जी?
Hi.
ये क्या था?
वो म्यूजिक क्या?
नहीं, ये क्या था ये?
इफेक्ट था.
नहीं, ये क्या था फातवानी? What is this?
Yeah.
Sorry मीनाक्षी जी, गुस्ताखी माफ कीजिएगा इसका.
अरे गुस्ताखी कैसे हो गई?
क्या क्या
और
करते
क्या
थे?
गुस्ताखी कहाँ हुई?
ये मसालेदार शो है, मेरे को ऐड करना था.
Exactly.
अच्छा अच्छा, आपको ये चलेगा हाय 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 चलेगा आपको ये?
बैकग्राउंड स्कोर है ना.
Oh my God! Anyway, आप आज बहुत अच्छा शो पे कॉल किए हैं. इसका नाम है मसालेदार मंडेस, मसाला मंडेस ऑफ द वेज. हमारा पूछा है आप लोगों से कि ये पहला ये जो गाना लगाया था हमने बहका में बहका, कौन सी फिल्म का था?
ये था मूवी गजनी से.
Wasn't it a मसाला मूवी?
हाँ, मसाला मूवी तो था, सारे फ्लेवर्स थे, रोमांस भी था, एक्शन भी था, इमोशनल भी.
असीन का अनबेरेबल कॉमेडी नहीं, असीन का अनबेरेबल कॉमेडी था ऑफ कोर्स बाय द वे.
Really?
असीन का वेरी बैड कॉमेडी टाइमिंग बाय द वे.
Oh, really?
हंसी नहीं है मुझे, रियली वेरी बैड. यू नो,
Oh, Ashi.
she made a scene of it.
Oh God.
A scene that made a scene. Anyway, point is, आप मानते हो कि मसाला फिल्म है? Yes?
हाँ, सारे तड़का था उसमें तो. हाँ, कह सकते हैं मसाला मूवी.
आपको मानता कि ये बैटर जो है
हाँ.
पिछले रात का तमिल फिल्म का था.
हाँ, हो सकता है. I have a full confidence on directors of Bollywood movies. वो इधर उधर से चुरा के बढ़िया मूवी बना लेते हैं.
वेरी गुड.
तो हो सकता
दीपा
है.
देखो सही मान, ये दीपा ये होता है अग्रीइंग विद मी. थैंक यू सो मच, यू नो मनीषा जी, वेरी गुड.
क्योंकि मैंने अभी कुछ दिनों पहले एक शायद धर्मेंद्र का इंटरव्यू देखा था, बहुत पुराना.
हाँ.
वो मेरे को याद नहीं, जितेंद्र थे या धर्मेंद्र थे.
हाँ.
उन्होंने भी मेंशन करा था कि 70s 80s जब वो पॉपुलर हुआ करते थे उस जमाने में, तो बोले सारे कॉन्सेप्ट जो थे वो साउथ इंडियन मूवी से लेकर मूवीज बन रही थी.
करेक्ट. Jitendra was,
Admit किया
yeah,
था.
Jitendra was known as the South Indian hero, right?
क्या?
जो भी जितेंद्र
हाँ
का फिल्म
हाँ,
था सब.
जितेंद्र, करेक्ट. उनके ओह माय गॉड, सभी मसाले मूवीज उनकी ही थे ना.
Exactly.
मतलब वो
तोफा हिम्मत वाला.
yeah, that's how Sridevi became Sridevi in the industry, right?
Wow.
Yes.
Jayaprada became Jayaprada in the industry because of that.
Thank you very much, Fatwani.
Yes,
Finally agreed with Fatwani. I told you by the end of the show you will agree with me always. Thank you. Good job, Fatwani. Hey, but I'll tell you one thing. Let me ask what you give me that kind of look. Hey, कुछ बात करो ये बहुत तो आप पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना.
इसका ये मतलब नहीं है.
सब देखे देखो.
इसका ये मतलब नहीं है
आगे देख
कि सभी जो मसाले मूवीज हैं वो साउथ इंडियन मूवीज के
सभी नहीं.
सभी नहीं हो सकती, लेकिन हाँ काफी मतलब इंस्पायर्ड होती है कहीं ना कहीं से. कभी हॉलीवुड मूवीज से, कभी इधर से कुछ थोड़ा सा कंसेप्ट ले लिया होता है और उसको इम्प्रोवाइज करके फिर एक अच्छा सा बढ़िया बॉलीवुड मूवी बना दिया जाता है.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just saying that most of the hit movies are all South Indian based movies. वही बोल रहा हूँ मैं, बस और कुछ नहीं. तो लेकिन आपसे
कुछ ऐसा भी होता है कि कुछ मूवीज जो साउथ में ऑलरेडी हिट हो चुकी होती हैं तो उन्हें बनाया जाता है कि हिंदी मूवीज में भी अच्छी चलेंगी वो बॉलीवुड में.
करेक्ट. हाँ, करेक्ट, एग्जैक्टली. एंड म्यूजिक राइट्स भी होता है वहाँ पे, म्यूजिक भी होती है, सेम म्यूजिक को कुछ कर देते हैं.
Correct.
लेकिन आप बताइए, आपके हिसाब से कोई मसाला फिल्म का डेफिनेशन बताइए हमें.
अभी तो मैंने बताया जिसमें सारे फ्लेवर हो, लाइक रोमांस भी हो, एक्शन भी हो, कॉमेडी भी हो, थोड़ा इमोशंस भी हो, इमोशनल भी हो मूवी, तो ये सारा तड़का लगा दो ऊपर से, बढ़िया एक मसाला मूवी बन जाती है.
वेरी गुड. तो ये बताइए आपके साथ
मसाला मूवीज आर टोटली फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट. आप देखोगे, हंसोगे फॉर दैट एंटायर 3 hours और 2 hours मूवी.
या
उसके बाद आराम से चले जाओ.
एग्जैक्टली. थैंक यू.
लाइक माइंड में कुछ लेके नहीं जाओगे, कोई बोझ नहीं रहेगा, सोचने के लिए कुछ होगा नहीं क्वेश्चन जब आप मूवी थिएटर से बाहर निकलोगे.
एग्जैक्टली. दीपा, अभी सब्जी दीपा. That's why I wanted Meenakshi to call us. Meenakshi is like voice of reason. She tells Deepa exactly what.
Oh really? Oh my God, देखा?
What? Because you agree with me today?
Oh really?
Yeah.
नहीं, दीपा ने भी बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया. सबका अपना अपना टेक हो सकता है, क्योंकि मुझे ज्यादा लाइक कोई टॉपिक वाली मूवी जिसमें कोई टॉपिक हो, एक्सप्लेन करो, वो मूवीज ज्यादा पसंद आती है. ठीक है, मसाला मूवी भी देखने में अच्छी लगती है.
Vote for मीनाक्षी.
वाह मीनाक्षी जी, वाह.
Vote for मीनाक्षी.
दोस्त तो कभी आपने छोड़ा ही ना. दोस्त को कितना भी बुरा बोले आप उनको रखते थे उसका मान. वाह.
नहीं यार, she's very diplomatic.
कभी कभार हमें बारे में ऐसे.
No, I'm not diplomatic.
No, she's supporting a friend यार. हाँ, दोस्त को कितना सपोर्ट कर रही है. कभी कभार हमें भी ऐसे सपोर्ट किया करो मीनाक्षी जी.
देखो, मेरा मानना ये है कि सबके अपने अपने विचार होते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन अगर मेरा कुछ विचार है तो मैं दूसरे पे उसे थोपूंगी नहीं. और मुझे दूसरे के विचारों को भी उतनी अच्छी तरीके से रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए जितना मैं चाहती हूँ मेरे भी विचारों को रिस्पेक्ट।
वाह,
इसीलिए मैंने आपका नाम पॉजिटिव मीनाक्षी रखा था।
पॉजिटिव मीनाक्षी।
यस, उसको मालूम है, राइट मीनाक्षी जी? मैंने आपको नाम दिया था पॉजिटिव मीनाक्षी। कितने पॉजिटिव, देखो फादर, तू तो सीख तो कुछ, सीख इनसे।
मुझे क्यों मार रहा है?
मैं मारा कहाँ तेरे को? मैं बस, अरे वाह, हाँ ये मारना हुआ।
से तो हमें सीखना चाहिए, वो हमें इंस्पायर करती है।
माय गुडनेस, थैंक यू। लेकिन मैं अगर
ये पॉलिटिक्स से लगा तेरे को? ये पॉलिटिक्स से नहीं है? लगा हाँ, सही में आपने बटन लगा, क्या मक्खन लगा आपने, सही।
सारी चीजें आप इतने अच्छे से मैनेज करते तो हम इंस्पायर होते हैं आपसे।
ओह, सो स्वीट।
गुड जोक। आप तो अच्छे कॉमेडी भी कर लेते हो, वेरी गुड।
सही है ना, पूरा मसाला मूवी कंटेंट है मेरे पास।
तो बताइए आपके हिसाब से कोई अच्छा मसाला फिल्म which is not copied from South Indian movies?
हाँ, कुछ ऐसा नया कंसेप्ट लेकर आएंगे।
नहीं, बताओ कौन सा मूवी?
कौन सा है
जो टोटल मसाला है?
मुझे नहीं पता, हो सकता है वो साउथ इंडियन मूवी से इंस्पायर हो और मुझे ना पता हो।
हाँ, बताओ ना, हम बताएंगे ना।
हम बताएंगे ना, हम है ना। उसके लिए ये आलतू बाबा है, सभी तेलुगु, सभी तमिल मसाले मूवीज देखता है, सब तमिल, तेलुगु, मलयालम भी देखता है। हाँ।
अब मुझे नहीं पता मसाला मूवी है कि नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे एक था टाइगर, अच्छा लगा था, उसमें रोमांस भी था, थोड़ा कॉमेडी भी था और एक्शन तो भरपूर था।
एक था टाइगर,
हाँ वो तो
मुझे अच्छा लगा था।
नहीं वो एक्चुअली वो ओरिजिनल फिल्म था।
स्वाग से करेंगे
सबका स्वागत।
हाँ, उसका वो देखना है, उसे 2-3 बार देख चुकी हूँ, मतलब मुझे वो अच्छी लगी।
हाँ, वो एक्चुअली वाज अ वेरी इंटरनेशनल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बोर्न आइडेंटिटी, हॉलीवुड फिल्म।
100% सलमान खान फैन हो। वैसे लिखवा लो, 100% सलमान खान फैन हो। ओह माय गुडनेस।
लेकिन इनके लिए मैं उसी फिल्म का गाना लगाने वाला हूँ। पहले उसको दीपा जी का गाना जो है लगाने के बाद आपके
गाना लगा देना, वरना वो बहुत मसाला चाय नहीं लेकर आएगी।
मसाला चाय
वो नहीं, हमें मालूम है, लेके कभी नहीं आती, बस वो बस ऐसे बोलती रहती है।
नहीं, वो आपको पता नहीं कितनी बार इनवाइट कर चुकी है अपने घर पे आने के लिए, आप लोग नहीं जाते हो।
हाँ, इनवाइट करेंगे, कभी एड्रेस भेजी?
कभी एड्रेस भेजा?
कभी एड्रेस भेजा, इनवाइट किया। हाँ, मानता हूँ।
देख ले दीपा भी एड्रेस भेज दे।
मीनाक्षी जी, आप बॉस्टन में हो, आपको इनवाइट करते हैं क्योंकि उसको मालूम है 100% आप वहाँ से फ्लाइट लेकर नहीं आओगे।
आओगे भी तो प्रॉपर्ली यू नो रेयरिटी, जब शी इज एक्चुअली ऑन वेकेशन। वो साल में 2 बार जाती है वेकेशन पे। हाँ, तो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। हाँ, जब आएगा देखा जाएगा, अगर आप सच्ची में लेके आ गए मसाला तो हम पी लेंगे, आपको बोलेंगे हम पिए।
अच्छा, और दूसरी चीज आपको बता दें, क्योंकि आप सलमान खान के फैन हो। सलमान खान के ऑलमोस्ट जो सेकंड स्टेज ऑफ कमबैक था, जहाँ पे इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में वापस आए, हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, क्योंकि उनके स्ट्रिंग ऑफ फ्लॉप्स थे। उसके बाद रेडी, वांटेड, ये सब जो आए, सभी एक के बाद एक वर तेलुगु मूवी रीमेक।
तमिल मूवीज।
वांटेड
वाज पोकरी।
ओके, was ready only.
Ready was ready.
Wanted
was Pokiri.
Wanted भी था।
Wanted was
remake था, ये मुझे पता है।
Remake of Telugu blockbuster called Pokiri of Mahesh Babu.
Okay. And then वो क्या था? बहुत सारे ऐसे movies.
एक Bodyguard और
Bodyguard भी, हाँ।
Bodyguard also was remake.
Yeah.
Oh really?
That is that Vijay's movie. Yeah.
Wow, सभी South Indian remakes.
Yes.
Almost every single one of them was a South Indian remake. तो अगर सलमान खान को किसी को थैंक यू बोलना है, वो साउथ इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के राइटर्स को बोलना है उनको।
लेकिन बस ये नहीं, बॉलीवुड मूवीज में दोबारा से थोड़ा ऊपर से तड़का लगा देते हैं तो चेंज हो जाता है सारी चीजें।
हाँ, लेकिन देखो अभी आजकल कोई कॉपी फिल्म नहीं आ रहा है,
नहीं,
तो हिट भी नहीं आ रहा है उसका।
नहीं, एक मसाला मूवी बताती हूँ जो कॉपी नहीं था।
कौन सा वाला?
भारत, वो कॉपी नहीं था,
फ्लॉप भी था वो,
लेकिन वो इतना अच्छा मूवी
भारत चला भी नहीं।
एक बार ही देखने लायक है, वो एक बार बड़ी मुश्किल से देख पाए।
एग्जैक्टली, देखो मुश्किल से एक बार देख पाए वो लोग।
अच्छा, क्यों?
नहीं, मुश्किल है बाबा।
अरे कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छा था यार मूवी का।
कॉन्सेप्ट
मतलब ठीक था, आप बस एक बार बैठ के देख लो।
हाँ, वो भी खींचा बहुत
लंबा खींच दिया, लेकिन दैट्स द ओनली। हां,
बट एनीवे देखा जाएगा, अगर इफ ही कम्स बैक टू डूइंग रीमेक्स ऑफ साउथ इंडियन, probably he'll have some more hits.
Dangal, no, what is that other movie?
Sultan was original.
Sultan was original, but that was masala.
हाँ, ठीक है, फाइन, दे दिया, चलो फालतू। तू भी सलमान खान का फैन है, मालूम हो गया मुझे।
मैं सलमान खान की कोई फैन नहीं हुआ।
कुछ भी चलेगा, doesn't matter if you say you're a fan, doesn't matter.
No, I'm not. I'm actually a fan of Saif Ali Khan. Never mind.
Okay, fine.
Saif Ali Khan?
Yeah.
हाँ, Saif Ali Khan.
But he doesn't do masala movies.
सैफ अली खान का मैं फैन हो गया after his he came out of Bollywood.
No.
Rather, we started doing real good movies.
Like, I started liking him when he started doing movies like Cocktail, movies
Phantom.
like Phantom.
Phantom, I became a fan actually. उससे पहले वो जो क्या पुंगी बजा के I didn't like the Agent Vinod. I didn't like.
Yeah, I mean,
Travel
Agent Vinod, yeah.
I didn't like it.
Yeah.
But anyway, so good. So Meenakshi, thank you so much for calling us. आपने call करके हमारा शो को और मजेदार बना दिया.
Thank you.
माशाल्लाह for you.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Thank
You
you.
too. Have a good one. Thank you.
And of course, ये गाने का लुत्फ उठाइएगा. हम आएंगे वापस with Masala Mondays. More movies talking about masala films of Indian cinema, Bandajan. Right here on the Masala show called Pam Pam, presentation of Media Mahima, right here on the airwaves of Radio Mirchi 1310 AM and also 92.9 FM Bandajan. Yes, exclusively on Radio D Hotties Network.
तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें. तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें. दुम तार 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 dum tar 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 dum. दिल तो है एक राही जाना, दिल की तुम मंजिल हो. दिल तो है एक कश्ती जाना, जिसका तुम साहिल हो. दिल न फिर कुछ मांगे जाना, तुम अगर हासिल हो. दिल तो है मेरा तन्हा जाना, आओ तो महफिल हो. Check that. Wicked. इश्क से ही सारी खुशियाँ, इश्क ही बर्बादी. इश्क है पाबंदी लेकिन इश्क ही आजादी. इश्क की दुनिया में यारो ख्वाबों की आबादी. हो गया वो जिसको मंजिल इश्क ने दिखला दी. देखो प्यारे ये नजारे, ये दीवाने, ये परवाने हैं इश्क में कैसे गुम. हाय तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें. तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें. दुम तार 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 दुम तार. Check that, like that. तुमको पूजा है, तुम्हारी इबादत की है. हमने जब की है तो फिर ऐसे मोहब्बत की है. हमने जब की है तो फिर ऐसे मोहब्बत की है. Check that. Wicked. दिल मेरा पागल है जाना, इसको तुम बहला दो. दिल में क्यों हलचल है जाना, मुझको तुम समझा दो. महका जो आंचल है जाना, इसको तुम लहरा दो. जुल्फ जो बादल है जाना, मुझ पे तुम बरसा दो. Check that, like that. जाना लेके जाया है तेरा ये दीवाना, जाना तुझ पे मिट जाएगा तेरा ये परवाना. जाना मेरे दिल में क्या है तूने ये ना जाना, जाना तुझको याद आएगा मेरा ये अफसाना. देखो प्यारे ये नजारे, ये दीवाने, ये परवाने हैं इश्क में कैसे गुम.
तुमसे मिलके दिल का है
जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें, तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें.
Oh, that's the best part about the song.
Anu Malik, man. Whenever Anu Malik and number second born Shah Rukh Khan comes along with number second Altu Baba, the song becomes hit on the radio, by the way.
Wait, hello. Altu Baba, oh God. Zabardasti घुसेड़ दिया. My goodness. God.
What?
Ah.
Excuse me. क्या रे? मेरा दिल तेरे पे फिदा रे.
I love.
Well, I'll tell you what it is. And this particular song, right? You should saw the video, watch the video. Shah Rukh Khan is a very good actor.
क्या?
He's a very good actor.
Yeah, he is.
That bits and pieces, like small gestures, where he does, right?
Yeah.
Like he shows that he's totally, you know, what do you call that? He's lattu over that.
Yeah.
So beautiful, actually.
Yeah.
You really feel like laughing. Oh my God, so cute, right? You get that feeling.
Well,
Basadar movie.
you know, a lot of people thought Mehuna is a Thakela movie. In fact, Happy New Year also has touches of the. They
Yeah,
try
yeah.
to recreate the Shah Rukh Khan,
Hey, hey,
Farah
hey.
Khan, you know, the magic. Because when Farah Khan does the movie, like, you know, there's. What do you call these?
The chemistry is nice.
Tongue-in-cheek
Yeah.
kind of moments, right? Where
Intelligent puns.
intelligent comedy, like
Yeah, it's visual puns.
it's like where she goes and she touches him and sets on fire, kind of thing. Those
Yeah,
like
yeah.
if you watch the filming of that song, Manjano kya wo manwa lage.
Well, that movie actually, if you look at it, it was a copy of a heist movie. Agreed.
Yeah, but it was a bakwas copy, man. Unnecessarily they khichofied the
The
Abhishek
story was
Bachchan's
bad.
characterization was not good.
Plot was not good.
Yeah,
Abhishek Bachchan was a good actor.
but
He,
they
underutilized him.
yeah.
Boman Irani probably was overutilized, suppose.
No, Boman Irani also was underutilized.
Yeah, it was
just-
too. I don't know. Sometimes I feel
it's like I think Farah Khan decided I want to bring all these people together.
yeah, it'll not be a flop if everybody comes together.
Yeah,
but she made her money though.
there were people who paid money to go and watch a promotion of that movie over here. They made their money in the international tour. Ridiculously, people paid and went. Anyway,
Anyways,
yeah.
शेड लगाने के सब लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पे क्या करें. अच्छा बात है तो बल्कि आज है मसाला फिल्म मसाला Mondays.
हाँ.
We're talking about masala movies in Indian cinema.
Yeah.
And I started off with saying that most of the masala movies actually which are super duper hits were movies from the south.
थोड़ा स्लो बात करेगा.
I
मुझे ऐसे
said
लग रहा है कि तेरे को कोई ट्रेन पकड़ा. मेरे को ही लगा तो बंदूक
I
कैसे
was
लगी?
suggesting that the movies which have been the hit masala movies in Indian cinema
Uh-huh.
inevitably are copies from South Indian cinemas. Hence, I gave the name masala to them because masala from the south.
Uh-huh.
You know, masala concept from the south
Uh-huh.
because masala is like total, all those things, you know, which you put in onions, garlic, ginger, all those things ground together as one masala, kala masala, all the stuff, right? And they put it into the mix, very tasty and flavorful.
Okay.
And so, of course, North Indians generally they lap it up when they come to the pregnant.
But nowadays it's not like that.
Now, who said that? Nowadays also it's that only.
What?
Wow, Akshay Kumar's latest movie is actually released in theaters nowadays.
Which?
Lakshmi Bomb.
तेरे को बोलना था क्या? मैं वो गाना लगाना चाहती थी लोगों के लिए.
अबे लगा.
हाँ?
कौन सा फिल्म का
अभी
रीमेक
बोलने के बाद क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
हाँ, they can find out, no? They can tell us not that Ajay seen the movie or not.
Yeah, okay. Is it a remake or not? Panjan, आपको कॉल करके बताना है.
Huh. After I say all this, they'll say yes, of course it is a remake. What is this Falsari? Planning. Stick to a script. You never follow a script. What to do? Huh. Anyway, Bhajan, जब तक ये लगाएगी. You have the song ready? Do you have the song ready?
Yes, I do.
Okay, here you go. Listen to the song and tell us whether this movie is a remake or not. Right? Again, number to call here.
Which song shall I play, Alto Baba? You tell me.
That also I should direct you there, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, Father.
direct
Once
me
in a
there,
while, please make a distribution.
Direct me there.
Yeah.
Telko
Play
na-
that song, yeah.
Which one?
That song only.
This
yeah.
one?
Yeah, play.
Okay.
देखो बोलना पड़ता है ना बच्ची ना अभी तो सीख रही है मेरे से हाँ। हाँ
ज़्यादा नहीं
चलेगा
बोलने
तू
का।
मानती नहीं मुझे मालूम है you don't agree with that guru not okay हाँ
Okay, Panjan. This particular song is from, it's a brand new song, Manujan. It's from a movie that
मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का
तो ये है Z Music Company का रिलीज Manujan. It's a movie called Lakshmi Bomb. And it's releasing on OTT, right?
Oh, I thought the theaters also, right?
Disney and Hotstar ka.
I thought they are releasing it in multiplex also, by the way.
Oh really? I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
because theaters are opening up over here also, Manujan. Social distancing very important.
Tomorrow it's releasing Manujan, November 10th को. तो ये आपको बताना है कि कौन से मूवी का, क्या ये कोई मूवी का रीमेक है? एक बहुत पॉपुलर मूवी का शायद रीमेक है. कौन सा वाला मूवी है? 4089122479. This is a song called बम भोले.
हर हर महादेव महाकाल बम बोले बम बोले बम बोले बम बोले बम बम बोले बम बम बोले बम 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 बोले मुझ पे चढ़ा है बस भोले का रंग हर कण में हर क्षण में है भोले मेरे संग लेके तेरा नाम भक्ति में तेरी ही रहा हूँ सब कुछ छोड़ के शक्ति में तेरी जी रहा हूँ बम 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 बोले बोले
Bum bole bum 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 bole bum 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 bole. Very nice song, Faltoni. I love it.
It's by Virus.
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 Not COVID, Manujan. Just virus.
It is called Virus. Manujan. It is Boleto, the rapper or whoever, the singer. His name is Virus.
Yes. Anyway, Manujan, the thing is, we are talking about masala films, and ye gana jo hai, we are asking you if this is a masala film or not. So what happened to you?
Who is the composer, you know?
I don't know.
Ulluminati.
Oh, they have done a spelling mistake with the Kulluminati.
No, man. It is Ulluminati.
Hey.
Hey.
It's Illuminati.
No,
It's
man.
Illuminati.
No, man. It's genuinely, that's the name. Ulluminati.
अच्छा Illuminati किसको बुलाती?
That's... कुछ भी randomness. कुछ भी. It's a very, it's from, okay, let's tell you that it is a remake of a South Indian movie. Let's see how many of you know this. If you haven't seen the South...
It was
I haven't
super
seen it.
duper hit in South Indian movies.
I haven't seen it.
There were not 1, 2, there were 3 sequels.
Was this that guy Lawrence or somebody?
Yes, super duper hits. All 3 were super duper hits.
So is this about transgender people?
No, it's not. That's what people misunderstand. It was not about that.
Oh, it's not?
Yeah.
Then this particular song, Manjan, you should see. I don't know. I don't know what the movie is about. I really want to see it. I tried watching the first one, but for some reason in Tamil I tried to watch it. I bowled it off.
You bowled it off.
I said
she
it
bowled
off.
it already.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh my God, she bowled it.
Oh
my God, she bowled it.
Bowled diya.
She ne bowled diya.
See, this is what happens when you
She
speak.
ne bowled diya, bhai. What to do right now?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the name of the movie? Because the name is very different in Tamil.
Yeah.
Very different.
Yeah.
100% different.
Yes.
So, this particular movie is a remake. And Anna ji, सुन रहे हो ना? तो call करो 408-912-2479. विशाल जी, आपको भी बुलावा है. 408-912-2479. And I think quite a few of our bandhus who are listening. Satish, 580 Freeway. यूसुफ खान साहब, आप बोलते हो हम आपका नाम नहीं लेते हैं तो कॉल करिएगा. खेड़ा साहब, आप भी बोलते हो हम आपका नाम नहीं लेते हैं तो आपके लिए भी बुलावा है.
Hey, hello. Why are you forgetting Bashaka Saab?
बादशाह
Bashaka
खान साहब,
Saab.
आपको भी. रंजीत सिंह भाटिया साहब,
आपको भी.
आपको भी.
रणबीर सिंह आपको भी.
हाँ,
दीपिका तेरे को भी.
क्या?
आपको भी.
रणवीर सिंह एंड रणबीर कपूर.
Same difference.
आलिया भट्ट.
Alia Bhatt for you also.
Yeah.
He gives the call here 408 12279. Meenakshi ji, आपका गाना माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह. एंजॉय कीजिएगा from the movie एक था ठीक है.
माशाल्लाह चेहरा है माशाल्लाह रंग तेरे इश्क का गहरा है माशाल्लाह तुझको चुराया है पाया है ये जहां
इस गाने के लिए कोई इंटरप्शन नहीं होएगा. मालूम है क्यों?
कैसे ना कैफ.
हाँ.
I think this was before operation.
What?
Before she went under a knife.
Yeah.
For her face, right?
Yeah.
Because her face looks much better like this one. 2003? No, when was this?
I don't remember. No man, 2012
Oh, really?
or 13.
शोरों में शरारा है अरे शोरों में शरारा है तारों में सितारा कुदरत ने फुर्सत से बनाया मेरा यारा
तेरी चाहती मेरी राहती है इबादती तू मिला मिली मुझे बुराई
माशाल्लाह 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 चेहरा है माशाल्लाह नैनों पे नैनों का बहरा है माशाल्लाह तुझको चुराया है पाया.
And of course, Bachan, thanks to all the people who audit Katrina Kaif's medical bills. I came to know that she actually has not gotten custody in this particular movie.
What?
That is you and Deepa, right? Both of you actually a joint venture.
What?
Yeah, she didn't have plastic surgery in my like she knew 100%.
Like what nonsense? I'm pretty sure she's had plastic surgery.
Okay, you are saying something contrary to what Deepa is saying.
What
Sorry.
is Deepa saying? Where?
She says
What?
she didn't have surgery that time.
Hey, Deepa, look at her nose. Yeah, you can make out.
She has categorized. She's gone public with this. Deepa's gone public with this, Banjan. So she actually is saying that she's
What?
not had surgery at this time.
What nonsense?
She posted on Facebook, dude. What else do you want, right? Anyway, Banjan, thing is, आज हम लोग मसाले movies की बात कर रहे हैं and कैसे मसाले movie most of them
By
actually
the time she had plastic surgery, Botox came in later.
Now, what is the difference between the two of them? I don't understand.
Oh God, Botox
I don't want to know.
is
I don't want to know.
injection.
I don't want to know TMI.
Deepa, what did you say? Faltara Deepa joint venture. For what?
Auditing for people's plastic surgeries. You seem to have the bills of all these people.
Oh God.
You know exactly. Father,
I wish-
oh, see that face a little bit chopped off for there, the nose cut off for there. What? Seriously?
Yeah.
It's sometimes called makeup, Faltani. It's make believe, anyways. So
Oh,
they do all those
God.
things.
Oh, God.
Anyway, coming back to the point.
Yeah.
Masala Mondays.
Huh.
How masala movies predominantly, what I am saying is, invariably hit movies जो भी हैं,
Huh.
most of them are actually taken off from the South Indian movies.
Huh.
Very rarely, once in a blue moon, you'll find a movie like Ekta Tiger, or for the matter what Father talked about. What movie did you talk about, Father? याद भी नहीं देखा.
Lakshmi Bomb.
I can't even remember these names.
Lakshmi Bomb is actually a remake of a. Is it a Tamil movie or a Telugu movie, Alto Baba, or is it both? Huh?
It is actually a bilingual movie in South India, man.
It's a movie called Kanchana.
Kanchana. They released it in Tamil and Telugu, but original is Tamil, of course.
It's supposed to be about it's a paranormal phenomenon kind of movie.
Something
right?
of that sort, yeah. I've not seen all the movies, but I just do know that was a super duper hit, life-changing movie.
Dude,
sequel
I
series.
want to watch this movie now. I really want to watch
Yeah,
it because
yeah.
I love ghost stories
So,
and I love.
no,
good
hello,
ghost-
hello. The first movie of Kanchana was a ghost story, but a funny ghost story.
Oh, really?
It's supposed to be that way. It makes you laugh.
So, is this a remake of the first one or?
I have no idea how sequel has flown though. But of course, the South Indian, I know there were like 3 sequences came to back. Now I don't know which one of the sequel is Lakshmi Bomb copy of. I don't know that.
Which movie? Some Jade Jamma or something like that.
That's the last one. The last.
Is that the one that Bambole? Is that the one?
That's right. That's the last one of the biggest blockbuster movie they made.
So is it a progressive story
It's
or
not.
is it? It's not.
It is not. It's
Oh,
not
okay,
But It's
okay.
like a sequel, like how they tried to do the Golmaal, right? Every Golmaal is different. Like
Huh.
that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But then it'll have like a. Is there a unifying thread or no?
The hero is a unifying thread.
Eh?
Yeah.
गोलमाल में हीरो है क्या?
Golmaal में heroes है ना? You can't count them as heroes.
Yeah, sort of like whatever.
Wannabes.
Yeah.
Heroes
For
got it.
namesake.
Bollywood Beras
No,
got
but are they all the same heroes? Matlab, you know what I mean? It's
yeah, there's only
it's
one
the same.
hero, man.
Meaning, will the character?
Kanchana had only one character.
I'm talking about the character.
Yeah, character, one character.
Okay, all right.
Hey, but anyway, we don't talk about that. We'll talk about one more movie. It actually was a kind of a hit movie in Hindi.
Huh.
But I don't know how many of you know which movie it is a remake of.
Okay.
Now I'll play a nice song for the movie. The songs are very nice to me because they use some of the songs from the other movie which they copied from.
Is that movie a remake also?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and it was a good movie. One of the movies which actually brought John Abraham a little bit of reprieve of all these flop movies.
Oh, wow.
So let's see if you guys can identify which movie this is, Banjan, and if you can tell me which is the South Indian movie they copied from. Give us a call here, 408-912-2479, 408-912-2479.
ख्वाबों ख्वाबों जागे सोए खोए खोए हम हैं जैसे यहाँ राहों धुंधले धुंधले हल्के हल्के होश के हैं निशान तुम हम सफर हो तो सब है जैसे हंसी चांद से ज्यादा है जगमगाती जमीन प्यार में डूबी सी लगती है हर दिशा.
And of course, Banjan, let me give you a hint. The movie was a super duper hit movie in Tamil. It took some time for it to be made in Hindi though. I don't know why, but it took some time though. But it became a hit in Hindi also is what I heard. Songs were very nice in the movie. Haris Jairaj, music director from Tamil Nadu, actually was the person who gave the songs.
क्या करूं मैं बयां लड़खड़ाए ज़बान हम जो ऐसे मिल गए हैं अब इरादे ही नए हैं तुम ही कहो कैसे ना हो दिल में मेरे ये हलचल हम तो जैसे हैं दीवाने दिल की सारी बातें माने तुम हो जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ दोनों हुए हैं पागल कम ना हो दीवानगी अपनी गुजरे यूं ही जिंदगी अपनी दिल जो बताएंगे हम कहते जाएंगे हाँ ख्वाबों ख्वाबों जागे सोए खोए खोए हम हैं जैसे यहाँ राहों राहों धुंधले धुंधले हल्के हल्के होश के हैं निशान.
And of course, but if you didn't know about that, Falzani, a little bit trivia for you. John Abraham, you know where he's from?
Bangalore?
Hails from?
Tamil Nadu?
No.
Kerala? Really?
He speaks fluent Malayalam, by the way, if you don't know that.
यहाँ राहों राहों धुंधले धुंधले हल्के हल्के होश के हैं निशान तुम हम सब.
And you might wonder how I know all this, Falzani. He actually is same schoolmates of people like Abhishek Bachchan and Hrithik Roshan.
Which is?
They
Which
were
school?
same in Bombay.
Which school?
I don't know what school name was, supposedly that.
Where,
But he-
acting school or?
No, school, regular school. Hrithik Roshan was a senior in school.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, even I didn't know until I actually saw that thing, read about it.
So, John Abraham is actually Mallu. Nambalayala.
He speaks very good Malayalam, by the way.
Oh.
Yeah, operational speaking of Malayalam. How do I know it? Because I speak Malayalam also. Because I was your
Kurchu kurchu ariyo.
Kurchu kurchu means barking.
No, I didn't say kurchu. I said kurchu ariyo. Random fellow. Kuch bhi madi, huh?
Oh my God, the two words she uses very well.
Yeah, I know.
Kurchu
Total
kurchu.
vattam he is.
Vattam.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
Vattam no re. Vatt.
Vattam.
Vatt.
Patti you are. Be quiet.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Happy? Are you happy, Falzani?
Yes.
As long as you're happy and agree with me, I'm happy. Okay.
Okay.
Next, Falzani.
So,
People don't know.
Deepa on Facebook is asking, is it from the movie Force?
Okay, but do you know which is the movie it is taken from?
Oh, it's a remake of a Mallu movie?
No, a South Indian movie.
Okay.
I will not tell you whether it's a Mallu movie or a whatever movie, but you should tell me what particular movie it is taken from. It was a very famous thing. And that movie, actually, everybody who sings a song, especially South Indian people over here, when they go to a contest, they'll sing that song from the movie.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Really?
Yeah.
South Indian people will sing a song from that movie, yeah. This movie, Force movie, yeah.
No, the Tamil movie of... Oh, my God. Okay,
What?
fine. I told you it's a Tamil movie for you.
It's a Tamil movie, Banjam. Which Tamil movie are you talking about? 408. This is that Oh Magazia. That's the
Hey,
song.
that is
right?
Tamil movie. The movie name is Tamil movie. I had the song, but it's actually the movie name in Tamil
Huh.
is the story of a police officer
Okay.
starring the Surya and Jyotika.
Oh.
The very, very dark movie. 2003 it released. And it took 7 years for it to be made in Hindi. Remade in Hindi, actually. I'll tell you the name, people will not know. The movie's name was Kaka Kaka. Very dark movie. If you see the movie, it's a very dark movie.
Kaka.
Yeah.
Is this the one, Kaka Kaka?
Kaka Kaka, not Kaka Kaka, Kaka, not that way.
No,
Kaka
waiting.
Kaka, not waiting. Huh. Yeah.
Kaka Kaka.
Yeah.
But then I'm asking you.
Actually, it's also been protection more than anything else.
I haven't seen the movie, huh?
Yeah, I don't think so you've seen the movie, Falzani.
Is this the one that ends with them finally reuniting or something?
No. There's no question of reuniting at all because she's gone and he also goes off afterwards.
Oh my God! It's a dark movie.
It's a dark movie.
Oh my God! I have to see the movie then.
Okay.
I haven't seen this movie.
Now next movie I have for you, Balajan.
So this movie was a hit.
It was super duper hit.
Force was a hit.
Comeback movie for John Abraham.
Wow, I didn't
That's
know
where
that.
he took the money and he put it into something else. So he made that movie was that
Parmanu.
No, he started producing movies afterwards, right? His own movies.
Oh really?
Yeah, he made a lot of money in this movie actually.
Was it after this that he made Vicky Dona?
Pani the Rang? I think so.
Pani da Rang. That's Vicky Dona.
Yeah, I think so. Not sure. But Vicky Dona brought him a lot of money though, anyways.
Yeah, that's true.
Achha, by the way, forget about that. I already told you about this. Now let's see. The next movie I'm going to play right now is Salman Khan movie.
Hey, Why are you playing all Salman Khan movies, man?
It's not all Salman Khan. I just now played a movie from that John Abraham's movie. Okay.
There is one movie which was I know is 100% masala movie because
Okay.
it's got every element including horror in it.
Let's go. You play it. Huh.
It's this movie, right? It's a South Indian movie remake.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Okay, I'm listening.
It's a South Indian movie remake.
Yes, yes.
We want to know which was the original movie.
Yes, yes. That's going to be hard for people to identify.
Yeah, really?
Mm-hmm. People don't know about these things, Fatrani.
Really?
People think all these movies are original movies, Fatrani. I'm not kidding.
Okay.
Majority of people from North India don't know about the fact that some of the movies they really love are remakes.
Okay.
So
If you play off the title track, everybody will know, man.
what? Did you have to say title track?
They will know, right? If you play the...
Oh my God. Seriously, Fatrani.
Yeah.
Okay, there's no point in playing it right now.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, there's no other good songs in the movie, by the way.
There are.
What?
Yeah, there is a song
Okay,
called,
fine. How about I play a nice Bengali song for the movie?
Okay.
Will that be something which will work?
Yeah.
Okay, but then I'm going to play a Bengali song in the movie, which actually is a combination.
Huh.
This movie, you should tell me which Tamil movie is it taken from?
Is it? Yeah, Tamil is not the original.
No, it's not. But I can tell them Tamil movie, right?
It is not the Tamil movie which is the original. Tell us which language was the original.
Good one.
408-912-2479. क्या यार तुम लोग? 408-912-2479. Facebook पे नहीं लगाने का, यहाँ पे कॉल करने का. दम है तो कॉल करो.
Number है तो call करो 408-912-2479.
আমি যে তোমার শুধু যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার साथी रे मरती भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल तुझे ही बेचैनियों में आएगा दिल साथी रे मरती भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल तुझे ही बेचैनियों में आएगा दिल मेरे गैसों के साए में तेरी राहतों की खुशबू है तेरे बगैर क्या जीना मेरे रोम रोम में तू है मेरी चूड़ियों की खन खन से तेरी सदाएं आती है ये दूरियां हमेशा ही नजदीक हमको लाती है ओ पिया
ये ड्रामेटिक पॉज था बच्चन. अभी आएगा गाना फिर से रिपीट. Rather continue further from this point onwards. सुनिएगा ये गाना. Hello, hi, hello, Pam Pam.
Hello, Pam Pam.
Deepa. Tell me which movie it is a remake of.
एक्चुअली मुझे कनाडा मूवी का नाम याद है.
Okay, कन्नड़ मूवी का नाम क्या
It
था?
is रीमेड फ्रॉम कनाडा. एक्चुअली फर्स्ट शायद तेलुगु या तमिल में बना. आई एम नॉट श्योर दो. शायद पहले ही कन्नड़ा में बना भी होगा.
ओए होए होए.
एंड देन इवन दैट वाज अ सुपर डुपर हिट.
Okay, what is the name of the Kannada movie?
आपका मित्र.
Aptamitra, yes, but this actually is originally from a Malayalam film called Kadhe Padiyumbol.
Malayalam, okay.
Yeah, it was Kadhe Padiyumbol is what the name was movie was, right?
Manichitratal.
Manichitratal, sorry, I'm sorry. Kadhe Padiyumbol was Billu Barbara, sorry.
Yeah.
Manichitratal.
Manichitratal.
Yeah, the Tala, whatever you call it, right? That's the thing. The Malayalam movie is the original, by the way. Thank you so much, Deepa. You're 100% right. Oh my God, Deepa, 10,000 points for you, Deepa.
Yeah, I don't know. I've not seen the Hindi version. I saw Tamil. Lak, 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 lak.
Well,
I don't know
actually,
if there's like.
But you should see Kannada. Kannada is also very nice.
yeah, Vishnuvardhan, right?
I saw
Yeah,
Rajinikanth.
Vishnuvardan.
Hey, हेलो सुपरस्टार और कोई नहीं उसको बीट कर सकता. तलाइवा. Huh?
Yeah, but Kannada people, of course,
Vishnu Vardhana.
superstar.
Really?
Right? Yeah, he was superstar.
Whatever, man.
Yeah.
Hey, homie, hello. There's only one superstar.
Who?
Rajini Kasam.
Rajini Kasam. That's true.
बात खत्म.
अरे नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. सारी दुनिया ऐसा, सब लोगों के लिए एक ही नहीं हो, सुपरस्टार नहीं हो सकता.
I agree with you. Deepa, I agree with you because some people, Deepa sometimes.
एकता में अनेकता. See, that's why, like, you know, इसीलिए तो साउथ इंडियन का कोई लेके बनाए ना बॉलीवुड लोग.
Let me send present for your argument. Right. सभी के लिए ऐसा नहीं होता है. सब everybody different. Like Deepa thinks I'm a superstar. Deepa told you. I understand Deepa. Don't worry. मैं समझा दे उसको.
वरना सारी दुनिया में एक ही रहेगा.
Exactly.
सिर्फ इलेक्शन में भी एक ही खड़ा होगा ना, दो लोग नहीं खड़े होंगे.
लेकिन बाइडेन जीत गया ना.
लेकिन एक ही सुपरस्टार ना.
एक ही जीता ना.
ईस्टर
वो तो है एक ही सीधे, लेकिन कंपटीशन नहीं है तो फन नहीं है ना.
डार्लिंग, जो जीता वही सिकंदर.
यस.
जो जीता वही व्हाइट हाउस के अंदर, जो नहीं जीता उसको बाहर कर दो.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
वेरी गुड. तो दीपा, थैंक यू सो मच.
इसीलिए आज मसाला मंडी है क्या? क्योंकि कमला विलास में मसाला डोसा मिलेगा.
कमला विलास नहीं डाले.
She got the idea. Very good. अमेरिकन बर्गर में थोड़ा चटनी पाउडर डालो, वही कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
So Meenakshi is right. Chandramukhi was a Tamil movie, but Mani Chittatal was the original, which was a Malayalam movie.
Kerala movie.
Malayalam movie.
Very good. Deepa, 100% right. And I'm going to play a very nice song just for you, dedicated for you, okay?
This is dedicated to you, which is a total masala movie if you've seen it.
But did you guys know? पता नहीं हिंदी का क्या हुआ, लेकिन when they produced the Malayalam and Kannada, na, and since it's a movie about like haunted theme, right?
Yeah.
तो सच में बहुत सारे ऐसे किस्से हुए सेट पे.
हाँ हुए थे.
Yes.
Oh, publicity के लिए.
And in fact, the heroine died also.
क्या?
Actually.
Wow.
कनाडा वो मूवी के बाद ही वो मर गई बेचारी.
She died in an accident, right?
Yes, she died in an accident.
Oh God,
correct.
That
Very
is
good.
so sad.
Hey, but thank you for sharing the masala story with us. This song is dedicated for you, Deepa.
Masala trivia. Okay.
This song is for you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Take care. Thank you so much.
And of course, बच्चन, जो भी हमारे से बोल बच्चन हो गया तो माफ कीजिएगा. कभी कभार क्या हो जाता है, एनर्जी ज्यादा होता है. I be drinking too much of coffee, so I talk very fast.
Well, Banjan, हम आपको बोलेंगे आराम से लीजिएगा. Rest of the evening is there for you. Enjoy. Don't let anything get to you. Have a good night. We will be back tomorrow morning with more excitement and enjoyment with our Good Morning Day at 9 a.m. तब तक के लिए हमें इजाजत दीजिए. Good night.
शब्बा खैर.
And प्यार भरा.
वचन की भाषा झांसा, इसकी ताल ताल है सतरंगी, चाल ढाल है अतरंगी, दिन में भी दिखा दे ये तारे रंग बिरंगी. बोल 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 बच्चन, बोल 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 बच्चन.
Bandajan, this is your darling Faltu Rani, and let me tell you, Bandajani, that all these beautiful tracks that you're listening to right now are special D-Hottie.